Hello, good morning. Fridays. Yeah, I don't like Fridays, by the way. Not fun because I don't know usually what to do in the weekends. It's it's not easy to get through weekends. Let's try. Hi, bro. Good morning. Yo. Hi, hi, hi. Welcome. This one, bro. How's it going, man? Good to see you, bro. Sanjay. Good morning. Syed. Nava. Morning, boys. Dr. Kumar. Good morning. Morning, guys. Lizzie finally decided to, grace us with her presence. Let's go. Good to see you, Lizzie. Good morning, guys. Yo, I feel like I'm a headmaster taking attendance for all the students in the morning. Naresh, Soumya, Redson, bro, Lu Louisa, Luisio. I'm sorry, man. I'm bad with names. Morning, morning, guys. Morning. Good job. Uttam, Vinay, bro. Morning, guys. I'm gonna stop this, so it'll just keep going. Hold on. Let me share the links for this morning, and then we look at trades. Let's have fun today. Good morning. All right, I'm sharing the links. Excuse me. Those were the links for the strategy. I think I should add one more link to that list, but yeah, that's that. Uh, Sure, bro. I figured out how to add you as moderator in YouTube as well. I'm going to do it right now. Add as moderator, standard moderator. You've been given the moderator role in YouTube as well. Thank you, man. Thank you for all your help. And when I see Ranjit Bro's message, I can also put him as moderator. So, guys, as you guys know, we have two moderators in the community. The hell is going on? Sorry, I got a glitch. As I was saying, we have two moderators in the community, amazing people who don't expect anything from me but are willing to help me. Amazing. Yeah, that's the amazing Sherry bro as well as amazing Ranjit bro. Um, Thank you both. Really appreciate it. There you go. Bro, you got the blue shield, man. It looked like a police badge, bro. Great, let me kick some people. That's hilarious, bro. You're awesome, man. All right, what do we have here? Let's start with the usual, boys and girls. 5:34. Today is the 21st of August, man. The month is flying, man. It's almost to the end of the month. I don't know. I love life, guys. Just keeps going faster. Today is what 21st, right? So let's refresh this. What do we have in terms of news? We don't have any red folder news. Always be careful. Look for news when you're trading. You don't you don't want to blow your accounts, right? Funding Pips does not allow red folder news. Be careful on that, people. So, no red folder today. You said Secretary dissent on bonds. You can say anything on bonds, buddy. Game of chicken with game of chicken. I like that. Yeah, I think to be worried about in terms of the strategy, You guys know this. There's no four candles to the left, so we'll call this ash. All right. Again, man, excuse me. You people are getting confused on how to call out ash and stop and zones still. After all those videos and after all the mornings. Good morning, guys. See, four candles to the left, four candles to the right. There we go. That's the secret to look at ash and stop ons. Oh, on the alerts. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. You guys are amazing. And as soon as we put that alert on, I'm getting one. And that's a valid 3 on 3 to the downside. Who called it out? Thank you. Where is it? That's 3 on 3 right there. That's freaking valid. I'm gonna have to put a trade right now. Visa points. Yeah, 0.143. You guys see this? 313. 313. 100% valid towards the downside. Let's see what happens today. Man, I love this. Guys, I only take half the risk. Uh, for 3 on 3s, I don't need this. Perfect. So if price comes back to tap me in, I will take half the risk of my usual positions and only on my 25K master account because of consistency rules. So if price comes back, I'm taking 0.14 lots. Supply is right there. Give me 1 second, guys. 24.7, 24.3, 27.25, 65. All right. That's first trade for me today. Again, guys, this is 3 on 3. It's not easy to keep taking these trades, but I love the fact that this guy can give us 1:40s and 1:80s for that matter. So I don't mind taking stop losses with this, buddy. There you go. That's the actual, right? So with the actual, if it goes to 1:8, I will put the trade in break even, or if it goes to 1:8 without stopping us in, I will take it off. So that's very important area. So I'll mark it out. And otherwise, that's entry. All right. I'm not in yet, but if it comes up there, I will be in. All right. That's entry, that's exit for now. And what am I doing? That's should be the entry point. If this holds, let's look for some glory in the morning. All right. I'm not in yet. That's the trade. All right. This is going to be interesting. Let's see what happens. Thank you. Thank you, Redson Bro. Guys, thank you. Subscriber, if you guys are calling up. Bro, I think I put it into subscriber only mode successfully inside the settings itself so that I don't have to do it every day. Is it working? I'm not sure how to check it up. Can you guys tell me? Can you log into some other account and check this up if you don't mind? Thank you, man. You guys are amazing, man. Ash means Ashwarya. Yeah, man, Ashwarya Rai. Bro, she's as beautiful as she was in the latest movie that, not latest movie, there was a Tamil movie that she acted in, I think a year or two ago. Bro, man, how does she maintain that, bro? Don't tell my wife, okay? I mean, so what was I saying? Aggressive stop ons, boys and girls. Morning, why did you buy 50K instant account? Yeah, you could have bought 50K flex account with 12% max loss, which is more than instant account. Shut up, bro. I'm tired of passing accounts. I'm tired of waiting for 2.5, 3 months to pass an account and then look for some profits after that. This time, bro, I think I have the sauce ready. I have the temperament ready. I have my patience and discipline on point. So I feel like this, what is happening, man? 3 on 3. It's giving back-to-back trades, is it? So, guys, one second, I'll come back to that. So, when we get back to back 3-on-3s, we'll only worry about the previous 3-on-3 that happened. Okay, what I'm going to do now is trade going far now. Ash, okay, yeah, yeah. I'm coming back to Ash. Sorry. This is a limit order that's in. Okay, that's Ash that's been breached. And we have 4 minutes to decide what to do here. All right. I unsubscribed and sent a message. It's on. And YouTube is such a pain, bro. Dilshan, bro, thank you so much, man. Um, you tested it. I love that. So I think I'm gonna get tapped in, which is sweet. But talking about Ash, man, I think I'll take this on my instant account. So going back to that instant account chat, uh, if I'm having an instant account, right? If I have the risk management on point, if I'm just trading Ash and stop hunt in my instant account, I will have the consistency. So consistency, because I'm only looking for a 1:3, right? Every time, all the time, I'm just looking for 1:3s. No, no in betweens, no runners, nothing like that. So with the instant account, it's going to work. By the time I get to 12% to pass an account with Flux, I could actually have a payout with instant accounts. So why waste the money and the time to wait for me to pass an account and then build a buffer and then get to the payout phase? I might as well take out a profit out of it when I reach the passing 12% mark with the Flux account, right? So that was the idea behind getting an instant account. I might add two more instant accounts with funding pips in the next 2 months, as well as top step accounts. Um, we're also looking at FTMO or some other firm. So guys, as I've been telling, the goal is to reach $1 million in funding, and then the game will become much easier because right now the game is sitting at $76,000. This is the game, guys. Understand how the game is played. You need $1 million here, right here. Portfolio value should be $1 million. Then one payout will change your generation. All right. So right now, so 2.5 minutes, I'm gonna lock in. I won't be able to take this on my 25K master account because if it's a buy, I can't take it. If it's a sell, I can take it on both my accounts. Right now, let me see. I don't know what's gonna happen. I haven't been tapped in yet in my master account. That was so close. Price came back so close and it did not tap me in. I'm actually sad. Look, price came back until here. All it needed to do was go up $1.50 in terms of gold money. Damn, I didn't get tapped in. That's okay, boys and girls. I would like to thank you for your strategy and learning from this channel. I'm very much profitable for the last couple of days and about to pass my funding account. You're the best. Bro, congrats, man. Let's go. In the last couple of days, bro, that's amazing, man. You're beating the previous record that's been set. 2 weeks. You're saying 2 days. That's glorious. All right, guys. 1.5 minutes to go. I'm gonna, if it's a sell, I'll take it in both of my accounts. All right. Right now, it's looking like a sell, but let's wait for the confirmations. Very good morning. Have I missed this trade? No, I have. This is a 3-on-3 entry, so I do have a limit order sitting there. Don't worry. The Ash trade, if you guys only trade Ash, is coming in the next 30 seconds. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna lock in people. Sorry. Oh God. 5 minutes. If I'm taking Ash, if I'm taking Ash entry, this is how it looked like. So points, entry, stop loss. All right, 0.17 lots, 21 seconds more. I'll take this off for now so that there's no confusion. 12 seconds, boys and girls. 0.17. Oh God, I'm scrambling here. If it's a sell, I'll take it with both my accounts. Yeah, that's a sell. 0.18 lots. I'm in. Both my accounts, people. So If it's in the same direction, I can always take trades. But if it's in the opposite direction, then and only then I get caught. I'm in sales because of Ash. I'll explain it to you. Give me 1 second. Let me just get my stop losses and everything sorted. I will get to you people. 23.04, 24.04. All right. It's perfect. TP is $300. Okay. When it comes to a sell here, that's the entry. Stop loss just above. Okay. And what are we looking for? Excuse me. Looking for a simple 1:3. That's it. There you go. You don't need this anymore. All right. The previous trade is actually sitting here, right there. The entry is here. Oops. Sorry, guys. I know when you're having two strategies, it's going to be looking a little complicated. All right. That's why. Let's just keep it as the numbers itself for now. But in terms of the second trade, guys, this is it. That's stop loss for second trade. Okay, almost at the entry level of the first one. If it goes there, it goes there. That's the entry level. Whoa! It's melting without the first trade, man. Damn. I hate it. All right. It is what it is. We'll wait for it. I'm hoping it got copied into both of my accounts. I think so because it's moving. Let me double check. I'll come back to the comments. Don't worry. I'll explain the trades. It's fairly straightforward. I'm just double checking right now if it's copied on both my accounts. Yes, sir, and ma'am. It's copied on both my accounts. Let's see. Let's wait. All right. Coming back. Guys, the reason for this trade is simple. Bala Malang bro. Baba Malang bro. Hi. Sorry, man. SL update. I've given you guys everything. The reason for this trade is simple. I'll show it to you in futures. All right. Look, in the morning when we came in, this was Ash. You guys can see this, right? Guys, Ash, again, very simple. Minimum two red candles to the left, minimum two red candles to the right, making a small V. That's it. Don't make it complicated, man. Very simple. Okay? This is what it's going to look like. And that's a V, correct? That's it. Why are you guys making this complicated? Man. So that's a V. That's the zone. First candle breached it. Second candle, strong down closing candle, giving the confirmations I have. That's it. You enter it there like this. Stop loss will go 100 pips above the breaking candle, and you wait for a 1:3. Isn't that simple? And of course, there's a couple of confluences I haven't disclosed in life. But the strategy itself, like how you determine an ash zone or a stop and zone, is fairly straightforward, man. I hope you guys understand that. Good morning, bro. Excuse me. So here's the, excuse me, struggling. So here's the fun part this morning. If this ash trade gets stopped out, the 3-on-3 trade will be open. Okay. And the stop loss for that is up here. So I'm going to take this off to reduce the confusion. So it's almost the same area, 27.81. So that's the stop loss for 3-on-3 if it gets there, right? So don't mind all the four. Don't get confused on these numbers. Man, it's just, this is just, the top one is just the stop loss for the 3-on-3 trade. The entry for the 3-on-3 trade is right here, almost at this point. the SL point. So, so it'll be interesting today, boys and girls. If we don't get stopped out here, we might get a TP. If we get stopped out here, this will be entered. If price keeps pushing up, stop loss on both. That's going to be very interesting to see. Let's see. Let's see. It's fun, isn't it? Man, I love trading, man. You never know what the hell is going to happen every day. Right, guys? We're almost to 2,750 subs. We're doing good with the channel and the community. We got 32 likes. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. And excuse me. Let's see what happens today. And I do have a feeling that it's going to melt because of this. Look at this stop hunt. So you guys want an example for stop hunt? Here it is. That is beautiful stop hunt. There you go. So price pushes up, 4 candles towards the upside. It doesn't have to be continuous. There you go. 4 candles towards the downside. This time it's continuous. The red's very strong stop and zone, right? Price comes up, taps it in, gives us the confirmation on this candle. Short from there, bleed, right? Man, perfect. That's just perfect. Thank you guys for all the love in the chat. Is your trade active? Yup, it is, my brother. It is. Let's see, guys. If we get a TP today, just one TP will break us even for yesterday's losses. So that's why I love the complete 1:3s. You got to stop exiting in between and get the whole 1:3. That's the big picture, right? Once you start exiting after the TP gets hit, then your account will look very differently. Professor in Discord, I don't know his name. His name in Discord is Professor. He sent a video yesterday um, about two traders trading the same exact strategy, one being profitable and one being not profitable, unprofitable, right? The way they approach the same strategy is different. So one is greedy. I didn't see the full video, just 2 minutes, but the concept is the same. One is greedy, one is consistent with his discipline and whatnot. And both of them, even after having the same strategy, has completely different results. One is up, one is down, right? So be careful. There are rules, risk management, patience, discipline. These are the things that you gotta make sure you follow if you want to be successful, even if you have the same strategy as mine. Risk of SL getting hit. That's the risk of life as well as trading. A meteor hitting us or an asteroid hitting us is the same as we're getting hit at SL. I'm just making a bad comparison, don't worry. Brother, there are people who are selling AI bots for trading. What's your take on that? Uh, Sister, AI bots. I mean, when it comes to bots, I'm not sure they're as good as human making decisions. Robots and bots and algos have been trained in a specific manner, right? For us, we get to take instant decisions on, okay, that looks like an ash zone. Yeah, that doesn't because of this. Yeah, the bots follow rules, but not as well as humans because we have the instinct to actually look at it, to make decisions in split seconds. I'm not a big fan of robots because it can break. If it breaks, you're done with the account or the accounts that you've been copying, right? So, see, Professor is here too. Yes, a very good video. There we go. So, I'll actually watch it today. I didn't have time yesterday because I was making the video yesterday, but it was interesting, man. It was very interesting. It goes with my philosophy of have the discipline and whatnot. Okay, going back to Vedika. Listen, so when it comes to bots, guys, it can be accurate. It can be successful too, but I don't believe in bots much. We humans are much better than bots today. It can be a very different story tomorrow or day after, right? Um, I won't pay for it. It's just my opinion. I don't know about others, but I will not pay for bots and get a bot with today's technology. Um, at least I haven't yet. If I change my mind, I'll let you guys know. But because I'm a very open guy when it comes to new ideas, new strategies, new things to learn. If my perspective gets changed by someone or something, an article or an experience, I'll definitely let you guys know. For now, is entry taken? Manoj Kumar, bro? Yeah. So right now, let's do the 9 yards. Sorry, guys. I don't know, man. This should be the norms every time I trade. I don't know why YouTube is like not giving me the settings. Sorry, you're gonna see yourself. Sorry, I'm gonna see myself here. Come on, bro. I just changed this last night, man. I don't have to do this every time on live, on air. Why? God. Now we don't have those. Now people don't ask me if it's an entry that's been taken because if you follow me for more than 2 days, um, you know that I take my entries. If I don't take entries, I won't say so. Man. 2 days, absolutely. Yeah. If people want to text in the community, let them be here for 2 days. That shows me that they're committed. So yeah, I'm pretty strict on rules. Yeah, I guess. Yeah. Because you have a lot of people coming in who are not interested in trading, who just want to see what you're doing, if you're failing. If so, yay. That's what a lot of people want to see and do because they compare their lives with someone who's doing lives for a living and they don't want them to grow or they compare themselves, pound to pound. So this will filter them out, man. If they want to watch me for 2 days and then come and comment that I suck, I'll take it. And I got 2 likes for saying that. Thank you. You guys are awesome, man. Arvind, bro, when are we doing meditation? Bro, exactly at 6 a.m. 2 more minutes, we'll sit in, all right? 2 minutes. So this is how my reminder has been set. I'll show you. Hold on. This is interesting stuff. So can you guys see this? I'm going to show it to you. Meditation is at 6. Uh, I think reading is at 7. Is it? Yes. And motivation is at 8. So I have things set up for the community and I have alerts and reminders. And after I get to do that, I just put a tick mark and uncheck. It feels satisfied. So in 2 minutes, let's start. True that, bro. I'm glad that you agree, my brother. Guys, the price is going to play with us, the emotions. Don't get trapped into it. Um, Anything and everything can happen. Right now, it's almost in break even. It can go either way. Just have zero emotions to it. We're going to meditate in the last 45 seconds. I'd highly recommend you to at least close your eyes with me when I'm trying to do it. Okay? Because, guys, if you can control this, you can achieve anything in your life. You want to be US president? If you're born there, it is possible. Okay? Put your mind to it, it will happen. So I'd highly suggest, uh, man, I'm happy as well as sad that price is pushing down because 313 has not been tapped in yet. It is what it is. So, guys, in the next 9 seconds, I'm going to sit there and meditate. What I'd suggest you guys to do is, if you can, if you're not driving, if you're home, if you have a setup, if you can just sit somewhere, close your eyes, focus on your breath, and that's 6 o'clock. I'm going to do it right now. I hope you guys do it. Get get to the process of meditating. It's very good for you, your mental, your headspace, your family. It's very good for your family because this teaches patience and calmness. I hope you guys do it with me. All right, let's get it. Let the trade run. Let it do whatever the hell it wants to do. All right, meditation number 4. Let's go. Exactly at 6. Oh God, let me show. I get I get a notification from the app saying it's time to meditate. Bro, in 4 days, it figured me out. It knows exactly when I meditate. Wow, man, I love this. All right, today's quote in the app is when walking, walk, when eating, eat. What does that mean? Whatever you're doing, just focus on the task. What a way to start the meditation session. Let's go. So, as you guys know, if you're new to the channel, we meditate for 5 minutes. All you have to do is sit quietly in a place, keep your hands still, okay? Relax your shoulders, just listen to the breath or the music that you're going to hear. If you don't want to listen to the music of the sea and a small piano tone, I think, that comes through, put me in mute for 5 minutes and then you can come back on. All right? That's what's going to happen in the next 5 minutes. I'll see you after 5. Don't worry if your focus is going, if your brain is shouting at you on different scenarios and fears and happiness, just come back. Just focus on your breath. It's okay to lose focus when you're meditating. It's not okay to be angry, man. Just get your focus back. Just relax. Come on. That's day number 4. I'm back, people. As you guys can see, hold on. Is that day number 4? We made it to 4 consecutive days. My job, my goal is to get this number up to 300, 365, if possible. I've failed. I've failed time and time again. I've failed multiple times. I've failed multiple years doing this. Let me show you my profile. I've been meditating since 2017. I've been actually keeping a track of this since 2017. I will show you how it looks like, how much I've meditated so far. I think I'll be able to see this. Where is my profile? Yo, how do I find this? It used to be good before. Edit details. Hold on, man. Yeah. Check in, message, friends, groups, view profile. Yo, before it used to show me how much meditation I've done. Channel, check in. I don't know. They've changed the app settings. I'll figure it out. Um, it used to show me how much I've done in the last years. I can't seem to find it. In my profile now, it's just showing me a bunch of stars, and I don't know, man. They're being mean. Any news, bro? I don't think there's news, man. Guys, I'll come back to the questions. Don't worry. Thank you, bro. Sherry, you're the best. What's it called? What's it called? Is Ranjit bro here, man? Did he show up today, bro? Because I can put him as mod. I don't think I saw his message today, man. I think he's sleeping. What's going on? I'm just going to send it to myself and see if it works. Not Ranjit bro, man. Myself. Sorry, guys. 1 second. Because I used to see that number and be like, man, I've meditated so much. I still suck. What am I doing? That was what was running through my mind. I still suck at it. The point is not to be, the best meditator or to get enlightenment. The point is to get better at it day in and day out, right? So, sorry guys, I couldn't find it, man. If I do, I'll let you know. That's a good trade, by the way. So, getting back to the comments, 6:30 might maybe destroy our trade. Who cares, man? We will let it destroy. 6:30 has actually given us multiple TPs in the last month. It has taken us out of multiple trades, but it's fine, bro. As long as we have our setups, guys, I don't mind. I don't mind having it. Are you free on Discord weekend? Sorry, Arvind. If you're free on Discord, try to provide us Traders Connect video. Soumya, definitely. Today I'm going to be making a video on lot sizes because I think it's very, very important. Okay. The next video, I promise you, the full length video will be on Traders Connect. I will keep it in my mind. I do have it in the list. I'll definitely make it because I was making the course for 1 whole month. It took that much of work into it. I did not make any videos in between. So I have so many video ideas just waiting to be made and so much work to be done. I cut slack day before yesterday. That's why I was very unhappy about myself. Yesterday, I got the shot out. Sorry, day before yesterday, I got the full video out. Yesterday, I got a 2-minute shot out on three on three trades that I took. I hope you saw that video, that short video that I posted yesterday. If there are any comments, let me know. Suggestions, whatever. Um, I am getting back to the routine of making videos. I'll get to it, Samya. Don't worry. Thank you. Cherry bro, you're awesome, man. Only time would say. 0 3 on 3. Honestly, 8 without tapping. It's invalid. Yes, sir. Sherry bro will take care of this. Target should be 2 million in funded accounts and only 1% every month. Shiva bro, man, that's $2 million is possible in funded accounts. The only thing is, I don't know if it's easier to be maintained, the $2 million in funding. For now, let's keep the goal as $1 million. Right now, bro, as we're speaking, we're sitting at $76,000, right? That's the amount that we have. The next checkpoint I want to see here is $500,000. Second checkpoint I want to see is $1 million. The third I want to see right here. Then it's $2 million. But I'd be very happy with $1 million in funding. Uh, Half of that would be a good place to be. I will have a good system put in place when it comes to Traders Connect and $500,000. Um, I'm going to max out Top Step. Sorry, I'm going to max out Funding Pips. So Funding Pips gives you $400,000 worth of funding, right? And then they're going to increase it every time you get a payout. So they will give you up to $2 million at a point. I think every time you get a payout, they will add 10 or 20% of the payout size to your account size. That's going to be a slow, snail pace movement towards $2 million. The smart way to do it is add different accounts, different company accounts into the mix. So that's what, sure, bro, don't worry, man. Just be here. I'll show you the whole journey, man. Every time I take an account, I'll update you how I took it, why I took it, what's going on with the account. I'll tell you guys the whole story, what's going on, how to do it, how to not to do it, the whole 9 yards. Don't worry, I'm here. All right, bro, which reminder app can you tell me? Bro, the reminder app, are you talking about? I'm having the basic reminder app with Apple, man. The reminder app that you guys saw is just comes with Apple. So if you go to reminders, uh, if you have iOS, and it's just there. So now I have only two more reminders for today, which is to read and to motivate. Motivation we'll do at 8. Reading we'll do at 7. Okay, it's all fixed. Bro, any news? I don't think there's any news. No, we saw it. There's no news today. Um, yes, Sherry got the question. Sorry, I didn't see that. I did, however, almost at the end, YouTube played an ad. What happened? What happened in between? You got an ad? Oh, you were meditating and YouTube played you an ad? Oh, that's the worst timing to get an ad. My God, it's so disturbing, isn't it? Sorry. Ashwin, bro. Yeah, man, that sucks, bro. Can I enter now? No, don't enter now. It's gone. John, bro, it's gone, man. Don't do it. And then, bro, I think we should enter on 3 on 3 trade instantly when it formed. Likewise on Ash, because I have seen 3 on 3 left us behind many times. Azam, bro, the thing is, man, the strategy has been designed in such a way that you want supply to be created, then you want price to leave the supply, come back, tap it, get all the energy from the supply. This is how I see it. Get all the energy, the fuel that it needs to fly. Okay. I think that's why I created the strategy in such a way. Man, listen, guys, I've given you the strategy. For the mentorship, I've given everything, like the complete 9 yards. Okay. Um, with you guys, I've given 90% in terms of ash and whatnot. Now, I'd ask you to make changes to it. Okay. Play around with it, put your own spin to it. You can also trade it that way. Or if you want to stick to my rules and, try to do it my way, then fine. But guys, we can customize the strategies to our preferences. You can actually go back test 3 on 3 if it works. Sometimes, yeah, I do agree that it'll leave us and run. In this case, man, the 3 on 3 is right here, right? Sorry, where is it? Yeah, right here. So it did leave us and run. Okay. Um, it happens, right? The strategy in setup is set up in such a way that what is the majority probability for it to work? That is how I saw that it worked in the past. If you feel that just after the 3 on 3 is made, if I enter, it's going to work, try to backtest it. Let me know after you backtest for a year because I'm not going to backtest it. I'm done backtesting both of my strategies. It's clear cut. I have specific rules on when to enter and why to enter and all that stuff. So Bro, guys, if you find something interesting with my strategies, if you think something might work, something might not work after the back testing, let me know. Then I'll be willing to take a look at it. Yeah. So we're in this together. All I'm trying to say is we can customize our things. This is all the experience I've had, the back testing I've done, and the probability of this working. If there's something else that works with my strategies, I'm very, very happy to listen to it and actually think about it. Right? Man, I'm happy as well as sad for this trade. Sir G, I see 3 on 3 in 5 minutes time frame. Can you check it, please? Bro, 3 on 3s happen in 5 minute time frame. Um, Let me see if there is any 3 on 3s right here. I don't see right now with spot, but even if it happens, the reason why I don't trade 3 on 3 in the 5 minutes is because of the fact that your stop loss is going to become bigger, right? The only way this strategy has survived with me for so long is because of that small stop loss that I get in the 1 minute time frame. Because last month, this strategy, 3 on 3, had an 8% win rate, single digit, 8% win rate. But this month, I think it's at, what is it? This month is sitting at, again, 14% win rate. The only reason, look, out of 7 trades this month, 6 losses and 1 win. The only reason this is surviving is because of the size of that win. 1 is to 42. We're up $1,622 this month because of that 1 is to 42. How did we cash that 1 is to 42? Because of that small stop loss. Okay. Understand the logic behind the strategy, and then you can make changes to it. That is why I keep trying to teach you the logic rather than just the rules. Okay. The logic is simple 1 minute supply, smaller stop loss, even if it's a smaller win rate, you'll be profitable because of the small stop loss. Okay. That's why I don't do it in 5 minutes, guys. If you understand the big picture, you can actually make changes to it, right? So that's why I keep explaining the way I do. Yeah, Sherry, bro, I already took the question. I don't know, what's the consistency rules on 50K? Like, how much should we make? Soumya, good question. So, guys, let's talk about consistency rules. I think I finally understood how and why the rule is put in place. Okay, let's say you're a trader. Okay, when it comes to consistency rules, right now in the OG trading space, the big guys in trading, what they do is they try to milk prop firms. Milk meaning they will take one big trade. So like this, they will catch a trade like this, a 1 is to 43, sorry, 42 that we got, right? So they'll catch a trade like this and they'll let it run for a session or a couple of sessions or whatnot. And so they have, in this example, they have $2,000, right? One trade. And after that, they'll start taking smaller wins, $100, $200, $100, $200, you know, to make it to a payout phase. So right now they have one big trade and other small trades, and they want a payout out of it. The smart funding people, the smart prop firm people, has come up with a solution for this. So in order to stop these people from getting big payouts from lucky trades, not lucky, I mean one big trade and other small trades, they've come up with a consistency rule solution. The solution is simple. You cannot have one big trade and take a payout. Your trades should be consistent. If you're taking $1,000, then fine. It should be $1,000 trades. And how do you calculate your payout potential, or how much do you need if I'm taking $1,000 profits per trade? It's simple. Multiply the 1,000 profit into 7. Whatever your profits are, you're targeting, multiply into 7 to get the amount that you need to get a payout. Does that make sense? So in the example I gave, $2,000 that you got with one single trade, right? If you multiply into 7, that's $1,400. Sorry, $14,000. My God, my math is so bad. $14,000, right? In order to be compliant with the consistency rules, if you get a $2,000 payout, you have to go to $14,000 in order to request for a payout. Does that make sense? If you made $1,000 trade into 7 gives you $7,000. So you have to get to $7,000 in profits. That will only give you, only then you will get a 15% consistency rule. Okay. That is how the consistency rule works. So for me to get so I'll give you a live example. For me to get a payout, so as you guys can see, this is my, I'll show you. So this is my master account. This is my zero account. So on the left, so this is my zero account. Right now, every trade, sorry about the alert, it doesn't matter. The alert is not valid because we are already waiting for a trade, right? Where was I? Right. So this is my master account right now. So in this 50K master account, right now, I'm just targeting $300 profits per trade. Okay. What do I need to get to the 15% consistency rule? For 300 into 7, $2,100, and I can request a payout. Does that make sense? So my target for this 50K instant account is to get to $2,100. Right now, the account is sitting at almost $500. Okay. So I need the rest to get to a payout stage. I hope that makes sense, man. I poured out my heart into that question, bro. Hi, Vishnu, bro. Hi, man. How to deal with YouTube ads? I'm using Geo mobile service and they have 200 INR plan, which gives you YouTube Premium free with the plan. Bro, YouTube itself gives you the plan for, I think, 196 rupees right now. You're spending 4 more rupees for Geo. Man, yeah, man, if you have YouTube Premium, they won't be able to show you ads. It's as simple as that, brother. So, dear man, welcome, bro. Happy to see you, man. Good morning. Guys, we've got 76 likes for this session. Thank you. Good morning, bro. I woke up, took entry with you, and went for prayer. Just back, bro. Sad man. Welcome back, man. Your prayer and mine actually helped. It's almost halfway to TP. Thank you. Got it. Samya, perfect. I'm actually going to cut it up into a small clip and then keep it in the channel so that other people can learn from it. I hope I'll also make a video on it. Consistency rules, how to beat it, how to be better at it. I'll make a video. So, long list of videos to be made. God. Girish, bro. Hi, man. Good morning, bro. Gosh, 6:30 is ahead. Now I'm afraid. For the last 2 days, 6:30 is not kind to us. I keep forgetting your name, yeah. Hold on. You know, as soon as I see that on the screen, I want to call you that, but Vedika, right? I don't want to call you Diksha. Diksha. Remember next time, Arvind. Diksha. Diksha, listen, don't be scared of it. Don't be scared of 6:30s. Sometimes it'll give us TPs. Sometimes it's going to take us off. Guys, at the end of the day, your job is just to execute the strategy and be at peace. Okay. When will you get peace is when you understand the fact that one stop loss or one TP is not going to kill you. Okay. Both of those outcomes are not going to kill you. Even 10 stop losses or 10 TPs are not going to kill you. Okay. I survived 18 stop losses in a row, back to back. My account survived. The only thing that's going to kill you is your risk management. Okay. That 18 stop losses came last month. I was still doing lives last month. If you go back in this date, you'll be able to see the 18 stop losses back to back to back. I'm talking about. Okay. That's 8th of July to 13th of July. Sorry, 7th of July to 13th of July. I got almost 18 stop losses back to back. It will not matter. We survived, we thrived, we have passed the accounts, we've made it this far. Okay. In order for you to understand, to extract the emotion from trading, guys, think of it as this. As long as you execute your trades with the rules, that is the only thing that's left in your hands. Okay. Everything else is with trading gods. Don't stress about trades. Even sometimes I feel like I'm also a human being, guys. I'm not better than you. I'm just a trader like you, okay? I've practiced myself so that for so long that stop losses doesn't bother me. Guys, I've had 36 stop losses in a row 2 years ago. 36. And mind you, I did not break any rules for my strategy. I wasn't over trading. Sorry, I might have been over trading at that point. I was still new to it. I might have been over trading, but I was only risking $80 per trade. I was following all my rules with the strategy. I was actually doing good, but I might have been over trading at that point because I was trading 8 to 10 trades a day. Maybe my fault, but I was actually following rules. I was actually only risking $80 on a 100K account. So I've done it. I had that experience of 36 stop losses in a row. Imagine taking that and still thinking I can still make it in trading. When you go through all that, eventually your mind will become numb on taking stop losses. Okay. I hope you guys, I know you guys you'll get there. Okay. I hope you guys stay patient until you get there. Okay. It's gonna happen. You're gonna have a mindset like mine over a period of time. Okay. Just understand the fact that it's gonna take time. It's not gonna happen in 1 day or 2 days. You're gonna get to a place where you don't care about the trades anymore. When you see patches like that, 17 stop losses in a row, 36 stop losses in a row, your brain is trained now. It'll be like, man, Arvind, you've got 36 stop losses, man. 17 shouldn't bother you, right? So keep doing it. Once you keep doing this and once you keep practicing this, man, your life will be a lot easier when you're trading. Right now, I've come to after 9 years of trying to understand trading and of 3 years of doing this full time, I've come to a point where it doesn't bother me anymore because I know it's not going to kill me. Guys, anything that doesn't kill you cannot affect you. That's it. Simple. I hope you guys pluck emotions out of trading because that's when the game gets a lot easier. A lot easier, trust me. But in Funny Pips, instant accounts, you should at least have 7 profitable days in a month. Otherwise, the account will be breached. I'm pretty sure I'll have 7. Right now, I think we have 3. Guys, if you have a decent enough strategy, man, you shouldn't be worrying about all this, boys. Look, please go. Oh, it's already there. So in the last 4 days, this has been the results. 3 profitable days, 1 red day. That was yesterday. You guys saw that, right? Let's see what happens today. If this closes, man, in profits, that's it. 4 days, right? In just 3 days. Sorry, in just 4 days. So it will happen, guys. Trade logic is, hold on, is Ash. You can go back in the video and watch the logic. It's simple Ash right there. All right, guys, if this trade goes to TP, in the next minute we're having 6:30. If it goes to TP, I will disregard the first 313 limit order that's sitting up there because it didn't tap us in. It went to a 1:8 without us, right? I'll do it. Rajat, bro, very good morning, man. Thank you for the psychology. 90% emotion, 10% strategy. There we go. That's it. Guys, it's exactly like gymming. Okay. When you go to a gym, your workouts that you do in the gym is just 30% of the equation. Just 30%. Understand the fact that your diet and your lifestyle is the rest of the 70% that you got to be worried about. The workouts that you're pushing in the gym is just 30%, man. It doesn't matter. Almost it doesn't matter. Okay. 6:30 is here, guys. Let's see what 6:30 is going to do. We don't mind, don't care about it. We might get the TP, we might not. Zero motions. Okay. So what I was saying strategy is just 30%. Not even 30, 20%. Like someone said, maybe 10%. Your mindset, your psychology, your risk management, your patience, your discipline. This is the majority, the bulk of trading. If you can figure the right side of this out, the left side is the easy part. Getting a strategy to trade is the easiest part, man. You have thousands, even millions of strategies out there. All you have to do is find a decent strategy with a 1:3 with a 40% win rate. That's it. You'll be wildly successful, man. But to figure out risk management, trading psychology, patience, and discipline, this took me 9 years. Okay, this is the 9 years part. The second half of the strategy and whatnot took me a month or two to figure out. That's easy. I'm buying a 10K account today. That explanation was really good. Do I risk $100 each or $95 to avoid slippage? 4% daily mark. Bro, listen, I'm glad that you guys want to. Sorry, I'm very happy that you like the explanation and you want to buy an instant account. Don't risk dollar amount just because I'm risking the dollar amount, okay? I'm risking the dollar amount by the percentage of the account. Understand this, okay? Bro, this is very important. If you don't understand, put another question in. Guys, risk the amount from the actual size of the account. So, for example, I have a $50,000 instant account, right? The max I'm willing to risk right now is $100. What is $100? Can someone tell me? Like, I'm gonna make you guys do the homework. Tell me how much $100 is in terms of percentage for $50,000. How much is it? Come on, I need replies. How much is $100 in percentage wise in a $50,000 account? What percentage is it? 0.4? Is it? No, man. Way less than that. Don't worry, guys. You can be right or wrong. It's fine, man. There you go. 0.2%. Okay. I'm only risking 0.2% on the account size. Okay. If you're getting a $10,000 account, you should be only risking 0.2 or 0.4 max. Yeah, you guys got it. 0.2%. Okay. So do not risk $100 just because I'm doing it. It depends on the account size. Okay. I'm still testing the instant account. I'm going to risk more on the 50K after two payouts. Okay. It's all about percentage when it comes to risking. Don't risk a consistent amount of dollar size or a consistent amount of lot size. That's bonkers to me. Don't do it. That's not right. Okay. I hope you guys understand. And one thing I want to check here right now is, has it been 1 hour since this was formed? 5:32, 6:32. It has been 1 hour. You guys know the rule. If 1 hour passes by, I will not have my entries for 3 on 3s. So that rule has been breached. I am going to take that 3 on 3 off. It's not valid. All right. This trade will run though. So that initial 3 on 3 is not valid. I've taken it off. This trade will run no matter what. 6:30 might not have gone our way, but there's still time. Let's see. Good morning, Raj, bro. 0.02%, is it? I don't think so. I think 0.2 it is. So 25K, I'm risking $100. That's 0.4%. So for 50K, 0.2% is going to be $100, correct? As simple as that. Simple math. Okay. So what I was trying to say is, do not risk the same lot size for every trade. That for me is insane because some trades like this one, um, I don't know what you call it. I call it 515 pips. Please don't get me wrong. That is what I see in this red. Can you see this red thingy right here? It says 515 pips. I don't know. So for this trade, the stop loss was just 515 pips. For, I think, one of these trades, it was 1,000 pips. Okay. For the fourth trade right here, it was 1,000 pips. So two different stop losses in terms of pips. How can someone take the same lot size, right? That's actually bonkers for me. Right. Let me put that in silent. Sorry. So don't risk a fixed amount just because your mentor or someone you're actually following is doing. Risk the amount in terms of your account size. All right. Always, guys. Remember that. KJ, morning, man. Good to see you, bro. Closed full at 1:2. Clear phase one just now. Thanks. Pray, bro. Woohoo! Congrats, man. Let's guys congratulate Prem, bro. He passed his phase one. Let's go. That's not easy to do, brother. Congrats, man. I'm very happy for you, bro. Man, it took me it took me 2.5 years to pass my phase one. Bloody 2.5 years, man. Every day I have someone saying, bro, I passed phase one, bro, I passed phase two. Man, I'm so happy for you guys, man. So psyched. I do now, bro, but on demo. That's awesome, man. DP, bro. Good morning, brother. Sorry for late. I joined now. Man, you're here, bro. That's all that matters, bro. Welcome. Good morning. Congrats. Let's go. The community is congratulating. Let's show some love, people. Come on. He passed his first phase. You're going to do it one day, and I'm going to celebrate for you too. Okay. This is a community where we encourage other traders. Passing phase one is not a small feat by any means. Any means. I know the emotion behind it. It took me 2.5 years. Trust me, take it from me. It's a huge deal. Congrats, man. Keep doing what you're doing, bro. You'll get there, man. Same rules, same strategy. You'll pass the second phase in no time. Then comes the important stuff, right? Congrats, man. Olu, bro, good morning, man. Always nice to see you, bro. How's everything back home, man? Let's go. See, I love the energy here. A lot and lots of love. Oh God, it's so good. A trailing drawdown follows your peak equity upwards but never moves back down. If your account reaches a new high, your drawdown flow rises with it. Means the better job you do, more you need to protect. Rajat, bro, 100% love, 100% right. You got it perfectly on point, man. I find it so hard to explain trailing down drawdown to people. I'm rolling too much today. What's happening? 270 people watching and only 40% of us like the stream. And he's sad about it. Bro, thank I don't know who he is, man. My community is so good, man. They wanna root me no matter what. Thank you so much, bro. I got 90 likes. Thank you. Thank you. Man, my community cares, boys and girls. Trading drawdown actually is different for different accounts. Man, if you're trading something like Top Step, your trading drawdown is a daily trading drawdown. And if you're trading something like what is the other competitor for Top Step? I know this. Top Step has a very close competitor. Uh, you can actually trade 20 accounts with them at once. Oh, sometimes I get these, you know, thinking blocks. I don't know. In their accounts, it's instant drawdown. So if Thunder Blue, nah, man, Apex. Sorry, got it. For Apex, it's live drawdowns, meaning if look, live example. If the higher lowest point, sorry, the highest point of your trade was here, and if price reversed from this point, that would be considered as drawdown. Like live, your price went up, your balance of the account went up to a certain point, right? Here, in this case, my we were in profit, we were almost at a 1:2, correct? So your account was in profit. Now that your account is going back to break even, they'll consider that as drawdown. For me, that's completely insane. I'll never trade Apex, man. What? If I was in profit, I didn't even exit my trade, and you're considering that as drawdown? Hell no. Apex, see, you guys got it right. Thank you. I'm not gonna do it. That's insane, bro. What is exactly means for zero account, brother? My Bob message. Man, zero account means instant accounts. Instantly, they'll give you, you don't need to pass phase one and phase two. You can buy a live account, master account straight off the shelf. Okay, that's called zero account. And you have a daily drawdown on that, meaning if my account went up, your your base for max drawdown is also going to come up with you. I hope that makes sense. DP, bro. See, he's congratulating, man. That's good to see, bro. I'm asking about, okay, I saw that. They changed rules now, bro, for Apex is good. Sure, bro. Have they taken out the drawdown that I was explaining right now? Have they changed it? If so, again, guys, I'm not a guy who's rigid on rules and stuff. In in terms of this, right? If they've changed it, I know that they pay out people very, very quickly. They're actually a good firm for people who are scalping. Okay. If you're a scalper, if you're just waiting for like 20, 30 pips here and there, Apex, go for Apex. They give you 20 accounts simultaneously. They have their own copying platform inbuilt into their dashboard. Man, they're amazing in terms of the account size and the execution and whatnot. But the only thing I did not like was the freaking drawdown that came with the trade, right? That's not something that sat well with me, so I won't ever do it. But if they are willing to let that rule go, bro, I'd jump on Apex before Top Step because they give me 20 accounts and I can easily copy it, right? So I'd rather go with Apex than Top Step if they have the same rules. Because with Top Step, you can only get 5 accounts at a time. They'll only give you 150K per account. So you're only getting what, $750,000, $750,000 max. But with Apex, I think I have $150,000 accounts. Apex. Let's jump in because guys, I'm going to add more accounts to my portfolio. Let's see, man. Apex is pretty good, bro. What do they have? They have they only have 150K. They have, man. So you can actually buy. Oh, EOD trading. There we go, bro. They have it, man. See, this is what I was explaining. Intraday trailing, and they have EOD trailing. I'm gonna call my best friend. I think he's listening to me right now. I'm gonna talk to him. I think we can take Apex right now. I love Apex now. See, I'm a reasonable guy. If you reason with me, you can actually have a good conversation. Good morning, bro. Woke up late. Man, you missed the entry, bro. It's actually, oh, right now it's back in entry. 6:30, bro. Man, we're having a love-hate relationship right now. Bro, I didn't know that, bro, Shiva. Thank you so much for saying that, bro. Uh, I'm completely willing right now. I'm okay with taking Apex, bro. Brother, make a YouTube video on the YouTube prop firms and how to make accounts and trade. Definitely, bro. Shake it, bro. For you, I'll definitely make it, man. I'll put it onto the list, brother. This stop on strategy doesn't work like that in London session. Why? Olu, bro, I'm not sure, man. I don't know how it works and why it works. That's why I backtested this strategy on all the 3 sessions. For me, it worked wonders. It worked wonders in Tokyo. That's why I traded in Tokyo. I don't have any preconceptions of just trading in Tokyo. I can also trade London's if I want because it's perfectly at 12:30 noon. It will work for me. I don't have to, wake up midnight, right? So the reason why I trade the strategy in Tokyo is because it works much better in gold and it works much better in Tokyo. That's why I trade the strategy the way I do. I'm not sure why that it doesn't work the same, man. Sherry bro has tried it, man. For me, guys, in my backtesting data, it worked better in Tokyo. I don't know how it works in London much. It does work, maybe not as good, but from my data and from my experience, bro, I like Tokyo, to be honest. Now, 2 million is very easy, bro. Shake, thank you. Which account size you recommend? 50K on 150. Ashwin, bro, that depends upon your trading style, right? And if your confidence. Bro, if I'm going for Apex, bro, let me look at it. EOD, I might go for 150s, man. How much does it cost again? $189. Fine, bro. I'm willing to do this. Bro, I might stack 5 accounts with Apex. Um, what is yo, no activation fee is actually freaking $249 with them, man. Okay. Uh, yeah, I'll have to think about this, but I'm gonna stack Apex, man. If they have an EOD trailing, bro, I'm okay with taking Apex 150Ks because it's much easier to trade with them, man. Your chart, your trading chart lags, is it? Well, today 6:30 did not agree with us. We'll come, we'll come to it tomorrow, maybe Monday. That was mean. I got stopped out. That was first trade for today. We'll wait for the other trades. As you guys know, I got stopped out, man. It is what it is. So close to TP. I reversed exactly after 6:30. That's 6:30 cam right there. Guys, again, it's just a number that you put into your journal. That's how you should look at it. Even now, we're very profitable for the accounts, okay? So that's the first stop loss for this trade for today. minus $200 because of two accounts. Um, that should be properly managed. There you go. Minus 200. Guys, we're still up for the week. Do not worry. We're still up for the week and the month. We're wildly up for the month. $2,667. So it's all a number. Um, and I didn't get this trade. Okay. So let's keep going. That's trade number one. Unfortunately, it was in a stop loss. And that is how we're going to keep it as. All right. So that's stop loss number one. So this is the next ash zone I'll be looking at. Let's go off to, that was the first ash zone. This would be the second ash zone. That's ash right there. Why? There's only, oh, actually there's four candles, man. That's not even ash, bro. That's, sorry. Why is this a stop and zone now? Because there's four candles to the left. See? One, two, three, four candles to the left, four candles to the right, forming a beautiful V-shaped, right? What has this been promoted to? Bloody stop hunt. I'll come back to the comments, guys. Give me 1 second. That's stop hunt. And also, guys, if there is other zones close by, be very careful. There's this zone very close by. Okay. That's also stop hunt right there. Four candles to the left, more than four candles to the right. That's a huge V-shaped recovery, right? So price made this and that and this, correct? Now it's trying to come back here. It can react from either here or it can react from there. We'll wait for taps. We'll wait for confirmations. We have another trade for today. Let's see what happens. All right. I'm from India, man. I'm from Chennai, bro. Your name says it. Tamar 5481, right? I'm Tamar too, man. Uh, Dr. Kumar, is it still lagging, bro? If you're new here, always start small. Absolutely, guys. Don't go for big accounts. If you're new to trading, that's why I said it depends upon your experience, right? If you're new, always start with small accounts, guys. I've been around the block for the last few years, so that's why I'm looking for $150,000 accounts. Don't get it, man, guys. I've said this before. The first ever funding account I took was a $150,000 account. Blew it in 2 days. 2 days. That's all. I didn't understand anything about it. That was with Top Step. Blew it in 2 days. Don't do the same mistake. Go with smaller accounts, understand the rules, play the game, buy the rules, pass one, get the payout, and then buy the account with that payout. That should be the rules, all right? People don't say that to you. I'll say it to you. Apex started EOD a couple of months ago, and they also have no activation fee options. Bro, I didn't know that, man. I just saw your message, bro. Sorry. I did not know that. If I knew, my best friend actually took a Top Step account yesterday. I would have told him to take an Apex account because they give you 20 accounts, right? For us, uh, we're planning to stack accounts. That's the point. That's why I keep showing you this total. Right now, it's at 75,763. We're still in the positive on both the accounts. Man, our job is to stack accounts on one top of the other. It's like a big salami sandwich, bro. You need a huge sandwich of accounts so that you get the million or $2 million in funding. Let's say if we stack 20 accounts with Apex with $150,000, what does that give us? I'm bad at math, sorry. 20 accounts into $150,000. That's $3 million in funding, people. 3 million funding just with Apex. Bro, imagine making 10%. Forget 10%, man. Imagine making 1% in a month with $3 million in funding. Bro, that's $30,000, bro. Bro, I'm salivating by the thought of it. My God, that's a lot of money. $30,000 from 1%, bro. My usual trade, 3 on 3, I'm risking 0.4% now. I get TPs of 1.2% per trade, man, if I get a TP, right? If I just make 1% a month, guys, imagine the potential of that. So that's the power of stacking accounts. This is a very powerful business if you know how to play the game. Just understand the rules. If you could just play the game with the right rules and the right mindset and the right discipline, bro, we're stacking money, people. Let's do it. Guys, if you're new here, if you've already been here for this long, thank you. Just stay here. I'm going to show you how I plan to do it, how I'm doing it. And once we get to that 3 mil to 5 mil funding phase, then people will call us overnight success. But you guys know this. I've been doing this for a longer time, been hustling, been taking hits. You guys saw the graph I had. Man, one day I'd love to be called an overnight success. I'm waiting for that day because at the end of that overnight success statement, success is there, man. That's the only thing I care about. So I want to get to that area, bro. One thing to remember, Apex, they don't let you trade metals right now. Oh, what? Yo, that's very off-putting, bro. I dreamt of $3 million, man. I dreamt of $30,000, bro. You just shattered my dream, brother. I can't trade gold there. That sucks. I passed the Akent account and gotten a couple of payouts, however, blown out all accounts now. So there is good things and bad things about it, bro. You passed Apex accounts before, so they've already paid you out, which is a great reputation. Um, if you've blown your accounts, don't worry about it, man. You'll get back to it. You know how to do it. You'll do it again. Bro, I saw your name, but you speak those English. I got confused. Bro, Arvindan Rangaswamy. Okay? Rangaswamy, remember, South Indian name. I'm completely South Indian. Has this been breached or no? That's a tap. I don't think that's a breach. What's the high of this candle? 4584. This one is 4584.3. That one is 45. Same. That's a tap, guys. That's not a breach, so I'm waiting. And we took an SL, right? So you guys didn't remind me about the push-ups, man. What's going on, people? Come on. I depend on you for reminding me. Push-up time. Hold on. Guys, I actually hit some weights yesterday. There weren't that many, but I actually hit weights. Let me stretch a bit. Sorry. Oh, I'm so sore from yesterday, man. Right now, I'm stretching. You're just able to see my feet. Apologies on that. I can feel the weights from yesterday right now. All right, 15 push-ups was it? Let's go. I hope you guys are doing it with me. You should be doing it with me. Get fit while you're trading. Let's go. One, two, three, four, five. Slow it down. Six, seven, eight, nine. My app wants to slipping. 10. One, two, three, four, five. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There you go. And push-ups have finally caught up to sit-ups. So 6-5, right? Why isn't the math mathing? I think that should be together. I hate math, bro. There you go. Break even now. Guys, I'll come back to the question. I see some good questions up here. Uh, so wait, I can actually take those questions. I have 4 minutes for this candle to close. Chart, still chart lagging. I don't know what's happening, but I can see it perfectly. Dr. Kumar, I'm not sure if anyone else is having the same issue, but I'm struggling. Please don't forget push-ups. DP, bro. I did it, man. Thank you. I didn't see a message there, bro. Brother, I can use debit or credit card to purchase CFTs. Bro, I just saw that news yesterday. Someone posted in Discord. I don't know how it's going to work. I don't know how they can actually ban you from taking it from your credit card or debit card. They have no control over it. They can only ban the companies to take payments. I don't know what the hell. RBI is talking about. I have no clue what that is. Get it with your credit card right now. If I were to buy another account, I'll buy it with my debit, Visa debit. I don't care what these guys do. The hell with it, man. So what? Think about it. You're allowing a company to operate, but you're not allowing users to connect with the company. What the hell? RBI, if you're looking at it, come on, man, get a life. Come to a decision that if you want these companies to operate, let them operate in full capacity. Otherwise, kick these companies out. We look for other options, okay? Such madness, man. There's no sense to it. Nidhi, bro, yes, man, you can actually connect 2 or 3 accounts. Uh, I'm actually doing it. Guys, I'm going to make videos on this. Nidhi, bro, if you've not been here for a few days, I've connected both my 25K master account and 50K instant account together. It's called Traders Connect. I'm struggling, man. All right, guys, 2.5 minutes here. I'll come back to the questions. I am going to lock in here. If we get a trade, I'll let you know. Okay, hold on. Hold on. So right now it's looking like a buy. If the candle closes as is, I'll look for a buy right here. So let's switch to spot as usual. That was the first stop loss. Almost a 1:2 this morning. That's not Ash, that's stop hunt. Just to be clear. That's stop hunt right there. And guys, be very careful. Rules are rules. If this candle taps the zone above, which is this one, hold on. If this candle taps this zone in futures, I will not take the entry in this candle. I'll wait for the next candle, okay? So you have to wait for my confirmation. That's also a stop hunt. All right, 1.5 minutes. But if I were to enter here, right now it's looking juicy for a long. It has all my confirmations to it, which is fine. So COMEX, Ovenda, perfect. There you go. So if I were to enter, this would be it. Let me get the calculator, stop hunt. Oops. Reset points. That should be the entry candle. That's again stop loss candle. There you go. Excuse me. So 0.11 lots. Are both the accounts active? Yes, sir. 47 seconds. Let's see if I get the confirmation. I'll let you know. This will be the second trade for Ash and stop on today, and the last one for Ash and stop on today. All right, if it comes through. 33 seconds. 0.12. If this candle closes as is, in the next 16 seconds, I will take this, okay? Long, by the way. 10 seconds more. I know there's a lag with YouTube, so be very careful, people. Always. Guys, I am in longs. 22.81, 21.81. All right. Targeting a 1:3. I got the confirmations right. I'm in the trade. I'm in longs. That's entry. That's stop loss. And what am I looking for? I'm looking for a 1:3. Why can't I get that 1:3 right? Let me take this off so that it's easier. Don't need you, buddy. Bye bye. And we don't need the stop on zone anymore because it wasn't tapped. Nothing's going to change now. That's the second entry and last entry for today when it comes to this strategy. Let's see what happens. I'll give you the stop loss, don't worry. Guys, placing stop loss is the easiest thing that you can do. Okay, I'm going to tell this one because people keep asking me about my stop loss. Listen, guys. So you have the tapping candle, right? the candle that taps the zone. In this case, the stop loss is going to go 100 pips below the tapping candle. 100 pips below the tapping candle. That is it. That's my stop loss area. If it takes time for me to come to that area wherein I tell you where the stop loss goes, just assume that's the tapping candle. Stop loss goes below the tapping candle. Why do we have a 100 pips buffer? Because you don't want to get taken out just because price wanted to say hi to your breaking candle, right? Simple. Please don't complicate it. Trading and life is both okay. 313. Hold on. One, two, three. Nope. 3 and 3 is not valid, people. Not by any means. All right. So it's very simple, man. Try not to complicate things, people. Let's see what happens. All right. Coming back to the chat. Apologies. It's been a while. Nidhi, bro, coming back to your question, man. Listen, this is called Traders Connect. We figured it out. We have actually had two accounts working successfully side by side. Man, this works magic, bro. The instant I get the trade on 25K and I put it, it gets copied on point. The stop loss to TP, the entry, everything goes perfectly. It costs $15 per account to be put in. So I have two accounts, one master and one slave to be put in here. I spent $30 on this, okay? I hope that's clear, man. And by the way, my best friend is actually testing Top Step with that same copier. It seems to be working now. We'll let you know. You guys know this. I'm the guinea pig. We will do the experiments. We will blow accounts if we have to, and then we'll let you know if it works. Okay. Wait for that. I will give you the info on if it works on um, Top Step and Apex and all the futures firm out there, because some firms tell you you can't copy trades from other companies. So Funding Pips is the company that I'm taking the trade in. Some firms you can't copy from other companies. So Funding Pips and Top Step, two different companies, right? You can't keep this as a master and slave. Some companies. So we're still testing it. I'll let you guys know. I'm sweating here. All right. I'm going back to the comments. I'm so sorry. Apex, you can trade gold futures. Many people do it as of today. Man, why? You guys have to confirm, man. I've got two different scenarios. Someone said, Apex, you can't trade gold. Just tell me this. Can I trade gold in Apex? Have you done it? Don't tell me the information that you see. Have you done it? Have you seen the pair being traded? Please let me know. But Trade Profit Trader, once you pass your eval and funded, you can get daily payouts. Ooh. Man, this is all juicy, bro. Again, I'm salivating. Daily payouts, man. That'll be so good. Guys, it's time to read. I'm just going to go through all the comments and then we'll put a 5 minutes reading session right here. Besides APED, you could trade metal, like I believe, with all the other firms. I'm not sure, guys. First SL hit. Yes, sir. First, we took SL. This one, again, is gone above a 1:1. I don't know what's going to happen. Thank you, brother, for the information. Well said. Excuse me. Shaker, bro. You're welcome, man. So many issues in India. Yeah. Dr. Kumar, you're having so much fun in Malaysia. You're finding it hard in India to be traders, man. Excuse me. In Funny Pips instant account, we cannot withdraw the first 5%, right? I think it's the first 3%, bro, if I'm not wrong. You'll have to double check it. Brother, your strategies are great, but now it's breaking stop and zone. I would suggest to wait until the price cools down. EMA else before it will be too aggressive. Man, Hardik, bro, my strategies just work for some reason. I'll take any trade that comes through. If it gives me a stop loss, so be it. Apex right now has all evals that include the activation fee now. I think there's activation fees as well as no activation fees because I saw it right now. Can you guys see this? They are both. activation fee standard. So standard accounts is, I think, $189 a pop. And if you want 5 accounts together, that's $895. But no activation fee is $249 a pop. 150K accounts, that is. Okay. They do have everything, guys. Pretty clear in the website, man. Thank you, bro. Keep going. Nidhi, man. Appreciate it, brother. Bro, I don't know what that means, man. And I'm pretty sure that's not Hindi, is it? I know Hindi. I don't think that's Hindi. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yes, you can. Hola, bro. We can trade gold in Apex. If that's the case, man, I'd be stoked. They don't allow medals before. I don't know why they started now. I'd love the fact that they started it now. Let's have gold on Apex. I'm going to do it, guys. I'll let you know once I take the accounts. Um, once I get this payout, okay? 50% of whatever I get. Right now, the accounts are sitting at $1,800. So, sorry, not 1,800, $830 right now. I'm not sure what's going to be at the end of the month. In 9 days, my payout window will be active. Whatever money will be sitting in my accounts, if I'm eligible for payout, I will take it live on air, hopefully, because I don't want to show the account details and whatnot. um, Once I get the payout, this is my rule when it comes to trading and what are the money that's coming in. Any money that comes into my life, I invest half of it, 50%. If I get $1,000 payout, I will reinvest 50% back into the accounts, back into my personal funds, back into other assets. Okay, that's that's what I've been doing for the longest period of time, as far as I know. So that's what I'll do. If I get $1,000, I'll add accounts for $500. Okay, whatever that is. If I'm going to be adding Apex into the mix, I'll take two $150,000 account without activation fee. Sorry. Get lucid daily payouts, bro. Man, you guys are confusing me now, man. But the thing about Apex is they give you 20 accounts. That's $3 million in funding. That's what I'm so stoked about, right? How to withdraw safe? Use your bank account, man. Get a Rice account. Take it in your bank account, bro. Yes, you can trade XAUUSD futures. Yeah, man, I'm okay with trading futures because that is where I do all my analysis in. So it's going to be easier for me, right? Thank you guys for all this info because this is priceless as far as I'm concerned. All right, price back to break even. Price is playing with us today, man. What is happening? What is this? What is that wick? That's almost the same. The 1:1.8 in the prior trade. What is going on? Man, it's being mean today, bro. Yes, you can trade. Okay, I saw that. Yeah, guys, if you want to follow him, just follow him. Don't teach him how to trade. Frankie, bro, it's fine, man. It's fine. Don't worry. I'll take pointers, man. The restrictions have been, but Frankie, bro, you do have a point, man. You know, I'm not sure if you know what's his name, TRJ or TJR, whatever. He's actually a huge trader in the space. Okay, he takes huge trades, $80,000 sales, $100,000 sales per trade. I think his name is TJR. I'm not sure about the exact acronyms. So he was doing a live session. Four of other people in the live chat started giving comments on how to trade to him. He got so pissed. You know what he said? He said, "Yo, are you trying to teach me how to trade? In the last 4 days, I got $230,000 in payouts. What the?" And then he goes beep and he goes, "Don't ever teach me how to trade." Man, I was laughing like a bull, bro. Listen, he lost it in life, bro. He just lost it, completely lost it. He said, "You know nothing about trading. Nothing. I got $230,000 in the last 3 days. Are you kidding me? Don't ever try to teach me how to trade." That's what he said. Man, it was insane, man. I was actually laughing out loud, bro. I don't know. A guy like him who's risking $100,000 per trade, maybe $80,000 for that matter, man, he knows a thing or two, right? God, bro. Lagging again. I'm not sure what's happening with your screen, Dr. Kumar. I can see it running perfectly to the stop loss in my screen. I don't know, man. Today is a day wherein there is two trades which ran to 1:8 and it wants to take me off. Man, it's just beautiful, bro. It's just beautiful. God. Yes, sir, you're right. Yeah, someone's laughing heavily right now. Bro, there is fact to it, right? The guy knows what he's doing. He's got hundreds of thousands, even millions and millions of dollars in payouts and his own capital. Why would you teach trading to a guy like that? Say, bro, it's not about EMA or it's there's an OB right there. I'm like, what? Why would you teach him how to trade? My God. Hey, Vishal, bro, hi, man. AK Trading, good morning, bro. Bro, brother, there is liquidity sweep on your stop and zone. Bro, they can be anything on my stop and zone. I don't care if this is stop loss too. Man, again, to a point of trying to tell me what there is, man, they can be anything, bro. This is my strategy. This is what I trade. I don't care if I take a stop loss gas. Listen, I'm showing you what I do. I'm not telling you what to do. As simple as that, right? I'm not taking money from you to give you signals. There are other channels who do it. I don't do that, man. I'm just here to show you what I do, what works for me, what doesn't work for me. As simple as that. If this trade doesn't work, I'm completely fine with it. It's data for me, right? So please. But I think the strategy is based on liquidity sweeps. Uh, I don't know, man. Liquidity sweeps, people trade liquidity one way. They look for reversals. I don't do that. I don't know how to call this. That's why I call it stop hunt. Tell us about consistent. Oh, I've already spoken vividly about consistent rules. Go back an hour in the stream. Guys, I spoke for 15 minutes non-stop about consistency rules. So please go back. Who is your mentor? Who's the best trader on YouTube you follow? Bro, I don't have any mentors, man. I was following 15, 20 people at once. I learned. So this is how you should look at trading and trading mentors. If you're following me, if you're actually looking at me right now, so 221 people are looking at me, learn one or two things from me. You don't have to learn the whole strategy. You don't have to learn everything from me. Take one or two things that you think might help your trading career. Pluck it out from me. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Let me see if that's a valid 3 on 3. If so, I'll take it. I don't think that's a valid 3 on 3. So what I was trying to say is learn one or two things from me. Okay. Keep me aside. Go to someone else. Learn one or two things from them. Same thing. Have 10, 15 people like that. Okay. Learn other small things here and there. Put all that together like a petri dish, right? Mix it well, all right? Then put your own input into it, make your own strategy because this trading style suits me. I like taking profits within the 24 hours, okay? I like taking 1:3s. I like keeping a strategy that runs. I like keeping another strategy that gives me consistent 1:3s. This suits my preference, okay? Some people like trading swing trades. Some people take scalps. Make your own strategies, right? This is what I would suggest. I don't have one mentor that I follow. I don't know who the top trader is right now. I don't care, by the way. As far as you're concerned, bro, this is what should be on your mind. Learn things from others. Be the best trader that you can be. Don't compare yourself. Don't look at other traders. Learn whatever the hell you can learn from anyone and everyone out there. Do you after what you learn, right? So I'll take a couple of more questions and then we're going to read. New York session liquidity sweep, I think so. There we go. Go finally. You will take Apex EOD 50K, 20 accounts with activation or no activation. Please let me know when you purchase on Discord. Bro, definitely, man. Shaker, bro, I'll definitely let you go. Guys, know every time I do anything and everything, and also with the company, I'll tell you how I'm doing it, why I'm doing it, and how much it costs me. Don't worry, I'll keep you in the loop. I will update all of this in Discord. Saturday, I should have a conversation or Sunday. Okay, I'm not sure which day. I'm still not in touch with the chartered accounts office yet. Sherry bro actually had a conversation, I think last week. No, this week, 3 days ago. So I'm gonna have one in the weekend. We will put our heads together. We will come up with a company structure, how much it costs, how we did it, and then I'll let you know. All right. Again, guinea pig. All right, Arvind, have you gone through Funny Pip's CID rules? I think so. I have. Why? Because have I broken any rule, Samya? What's your best friend's name, bro? Don't reveal it right now. We are curious to know. Bro, he doesn't want it to be revealed, man. I'm not going to reveal it. Um, no, maybe good question, but I'm not going to reveal it, bro. I'm pretty sure, I'm damn sure he's listening to me right now. Even if he's not watching, guys, he's a big shot manager with Cognizant. He's in a good position in Cognizant, man. He works full time there. Even if he has meetings, he'll have me in one here because he takes trades with me. We trade together, and he's also working in the meetings on the right ear. So that guy is actually just named. No, man, he doesn't, bro. It's his preference, right? He doesn't want the name to be said out loud. Guys, listen. I've put my feet up. Now I'm going to read. So what I'm going to do now is read for the next 5 minutes and chill. Okay. Let the trade do whatever it wants to do. Um, it's reading time, people. Put your timers on. At least read for 5 minutes with me. It's a good habit to have. Again, I'm getting better on the book. Look, look, progress, progress. See, I think 18% done. Guys, I have so much going on in my day. Um, I'm doing lives. I'm doing YouTube videos. I'm watching a couple of episodes every day, spending time with the family. Man, my life is packed, bro. I'm so happy because before, when I was a full-time trader a year ago, I didn't know what the hell to do with my time because I had so much time. I was sitting on my hands. Bro, I was so disappointed with myself because I wasn't being productive back then. After I started doing, my habits, YouTube and all that stuff, now I feel like I'm so productive. I'm spending my time so well. Books help me, meditation helps me, trading the right way helps me. So I'm gonna put the timer on. I'll come back to the comments. Let's read, people. 5 minutes starts now. Let's go. If I read something interesting, I'll definitely let you know. Okay. People think I'm sleeping. I just want to make sure that they know that I'm reading. I'm gonna put it up and this is the business book, by the way. I thought this is just about technology, but this is a business book. It's actually very interesting to read. Thank you, bro, Sherry, for sending this book to me. You're awesome. And I can hear my mom making tea. She's crushing the ginger downstairs. How? How? You should be subscribed for 2 days. You know exactly when I'm. Okay, bro. The timings are right here on the screen, man. Right on the bottom. 5:30 to 8:45. But I don't know how he got the message through. Education. I know that I can see in my peripheral vision that chat is popping off. I will come back. I'm occupied. Hold on. That's time, people. It's 5 minutes right there. 5 minutes runs off so quickly, doesn't it? And I want to increase that time. Someday we will increase it together. Um, yeah, that's not the only 5 minutes again that I read. Now I've stopped using my smartphone an hour before I sleep. I read. Last night I read for 20 minutes before I went to sleep. Now I'm trying to increase that time to at least 45 minutes before I sleep. So I have dinner at around 7, exactly at 7. I have dinner. I can sleep between 9 to 9:45. That's my sleep time. So I'm gonna structure it in such a way that after dinner, I could work for another 2 hours. Sorry, 1.5 hours maybe. 8:30. Go downstairs, get the book, read it for another 45 minutes, sleep at 9:30, 10 max. 9:30 should be the sweet spot because now that I've started working out again, I need more sleep because my body does not respond to all this mayhem going on with less sleep, right? So a lot of changes to be made in my routine. I will make it. I'm not again 313, bro. Hold on, not valid yet. Maybe in the future, but we're still waiting for it. So yeah, man, your routine is your everything. I'm gonna change my routine a bit because I'm using my phone too much, man. I want to come out of it. I've stopped scrolling for the last 2 days. At least toned it down way less. Oops, I closed the chat. All right, coming back to the chat. Let's see if I missed any good questions. I will say if you go up, but my biggest concern here is the range low on sweep. There are lows, but I want to see the higher sweep monthly high. Let's see, man. When do you start morning live? Oh, got it. Thanks. You're really nice, bro. Apart from trading, thank you, man. Narendran, bro, means a lot to me, man. Thank you for saying that. If you're still here, reading books. Remember my school days, bro. 30 minutes for physics, 30 minutes for chemistry, 10 minutes for maths only. I hate math. Nidhi, bro, we're all in the same boat, man. I used to hate math. I actually failed math multiple times back at school. Absolutely dread it. Um, yeah, man, me and you, bro. I think me and majority of people here hate math. In my trading journey, I realized not trading is more important than, sorry? Oh, not trading is more important than trading. In your life as well, you're engaging others in meditation, reading, etc. Some people might laugh, but it's really important. Narendra, bro, man, you get me, bro. Yeah, my family laughed at me, man. My own family, my mom and my wife, absolutely were on the floor laughing when I told them that I was going to meditate and read books live. They said people who are watching live are going to leave, people in my community are going to abandon me, and I'm going to suck. These are the three things they said collectively. So my own family couldn't understand the fact that trading is just not trading. It's a skill that you develop with other skills together. It's a mental game more than, playing with the fingers and your. I don't know, man. Can I re-enter now? It's completely up to you, people. I'm in it. If I take a stop loss, I'll be happy. If I take a TP, I'll be very happy. Again, it's all the same for me. Jeans movie. What about the jeans movie? Anand, Anand, bro, can you elaborate? Is buying XAUUSD futures with a protective put? I don't do options, guys. I have no clue. I'm a very simple guy. My head doesn't work in such a complicated way to comprehend options. I've tried it. I've actually lost a ton of money with it. I think close to $500 maybe. Not a lot of money, but still money, my own hard-earned money. Did not work for me. My brain did not comprehend gamma decay, if I'm saying that right, or just time decay, whatever that was. Man, it was complicated. Arvind, you told you will tell ghost story. Soumya, if eight people say yes for that gold story, right now I'm gonna go for tea. Okay. If I come back, hold on. Hold, hello. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. So listen, guys, this happened in my life. I saw a ghost. If you want to listen to a ghost story, I need eight yes. Okay, eight yeses before I come back from tea. I have three yeses now. Eight, sorry, five more. I'll tell you the ghost story. Live, God damn it, live, man. I passed my math exam with just 1 mark in 10th board paper. Bro, I passed my math exam with 0 marks, meaning the the marks to pass my board exam in 12th grade were 33. I got 33. Man, so many yeses for ghost stories. You guys like ghost stories, man? Whoa, the chat is popping off, boys and girls. Man, that's so cool, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 yeses, boys and girls. Man, I'd love to say that ghost story. My wife will run. I actually have two true stories that I know of. One, my brother had the experience. I'll show you with proof, and I'll also post it into Discord. People who have the faint of hearts, don't look at it. The second story happened with me, my best friend, and my gang while we were driving. Okay. Yes, bro, let's go. Guys, I love it, man. Listen, so many yeses. So first, let's go with my story. I'll come back after tea. Please hold on. Don't leave, okay? I'm gonna have a 10-minute recess here. I'll have tea with my family and I come back. Bro, I've tried to tell the story to my wife multiple times. Man, she runs away from me, bro. She literally starts sprinting, man. She hates ghosts, man. We'll be back after tea with a ghost story. This is what is happening. Okay. I hope that's hilarious. All right. I'll be back after 10 minutes, people. See you in a bit. The current trade we had it on demo and the entry with 12:30 p.m. time, same TP as you, 1 is to 3R and RSL. Olo bro, that's awesome, man. Just hold on to the trade. I'm not gonna exit until TP or SL. It's gonna run. All right, we'll be back in a short while. You guys love I didn't know that you guys would enjoy ghost stories. I have two. Let's talk after this. God, man. I need this. Morning. I'm back, people. Back to see that price is taking stop loss. Very mean today, man. Man, time for push-ups. I know. Excuse me. It's been a long time since we took photo cells together with Ash and one second. $400, right? Yeah, $400 time today. It's been a long time since we took four stop losses with Ash and stop hunt. When was the last time we took it? That's three, maybe. That's two. That's two and two. Yeah. 10th, 10th of July, I think was the last time we took, you know, four together, like back to back to back. 10th of July, August. Yeah, man, it's been 1.5 months, almost 1 month and 10 days. It happens, boys and girls. All right. A promise is the promise. Yeah, I see the fa in the chat. Hold on. Let me put it down so that you can see the push ups. I'm a man of my word. You lose, you do push ups on live. Oh, God, I'm getting locked up because of gym. Let's go. Let's go. One, two, six, seven, one, two, three, four. Let's go. Guys, right now I'm doing push ups very consciously, like slowing it down. Because before I used to just pump them out. Now I'm getting mature. You gotta take your time with the push ups because it's much better that way. Get a much better pump. So good to you. Good for you that way. Man, we're getting reading more patience, reading more books, so more resilience. We're getting fitter, everything together in a live session. Let's go. So I will go through the comments as well as the ghost story after the comments. I've read the book. I'll tick that off. All right, come back to the comments. Yeah. I'm not making any changes to my strategy, bro. The next hunter, man, it has worked so well, man. I'm never make just because a strategy takes a few stop losses doesn't mean that it's a bad strategy. I'll never change anything to my strategy for the next 2 months. If I get consistent bad results with it, maybe I look at what can be done better. But just a couple of results do not scare me, man. Hey, chat for a beginner, can you? Hey, chat for a beginner, can you suggest me what trading platform should I use? Currently using Delta charges too much. Bro, has the chat replied to you, man? Okay. I'll give you my reply, bro. If you're in India, man, don't trade it in a personal account because they're gonna flag you. If they flag you, they will freeze your accounts because it's illegal to trade XAUUSD, any USD pair for that matter. Anything that's not associated with INR, they're gonna flag you. Be careful, people. The best thing about 1 to 3 is even if you have 30 to 40% accuracy, you're going to be profitable until and unless you're disciplined. Now, execution is the key. Exactly, bro. Rajat, man. That's what I'm banking on because last month I should have been very, very profitable. I had a 37.5% win rate with a 1 to 3. No questions asked. We took 15 wins and 25 losses, mind you. But I cut the risk into halfway through the month. So that's why it was in minus. But man, this strategy alone was up $483 even after taking 25 losses. So that's the math behind it. If I had it on the same risk throughout the month, bro, we would have seen big money right here, right? This month, again, we've taken 11 losses, 9 wins so far. We have a 45% win rate, which is glorious to see. With the stop on an Ash alone, we have $845 still sitting in the bank. This time, it's sitting in the bank. So $567. in these two accounts alone because these are new accounts, right? It's just been what, 4 or 5 days since we got the accounts. So we still have them. So these are the two stop losses. I still have two more trades for Ash and Star. Sorry, I still have two more trades that I can take for 3 on 3 today. I will let you know if I get it within the next 45 minutes. Okay. So those are the two stop losses we took. We'll wait for 3 on 3 trades now. Should you have taken sell entry on a stop part on left side? Top liquidity was taken. Bro, Anand, bro, for me, whichever stop punt or Ash gets taken first, and if I get an entry, I'll take it. Right? Yeah, man. There are multiple stop punts and Ash throughout the day, bro. Like throughout. For me, how I've structured it is whatever comes first. What are the two strategies? Sorry, what are the two trades that comes first? Take it. And it's been very successful so far, man. God's honest truth. I mean, bro, brotherly suggestion, please plan your trade in a way that you divide it into three TPs. After getting your first TP, make your trade break even so that you can save your stop loss from getting hit. Asad, bro, thank you, man. Thank you for that suggestion, man. Bro, listen, bro, if you're worried about taking stop losses, which I'm not, um, you're going to lose out on a lot of trades. The reason why I don't take break evens, bro, is because the number of trades I've seen in the last 2.5 years come back to break even and then pop off to take profit dozens and dozens and dozens, my brother. That's why I do not believe in the concept of break evens. Yeah, man, you're right, bro. In terms of having one TP and after that, why do you want to give your profits away, right? That's why I only take two trades. Even if I lose the second one, I'm still up $200 for the day, right? So it actually works out, man. When you're over trading, maybe then putting break evens and saving your capital would be an issue. But for me, if I take the first TP, that's $300. If I take a stop loss after that, that's still $200 for the day. I'm up $200 sitting right here in Chennai, India. $200 is almost 20,000 rupees. I think it's 18,000 something, but 20,000 rupees. Bro, that's someone's salary for a whole month. I'm pretty sure 90%, not 90, 70% of people in Chennai would get that. My math might be wrong. Don't get it wrong. I'm just saying that's big money when it comes to one trade, right? So I'm still up. I've learned how to trade with confidence and faith, execute trades. Sorry. Thank you, bro. Cause of you, I've learned how to trade with confidence and faith, execute trades before I used to fear taking trades as a beginner. Can you suggest which trading platform can I use? Pratik, bro, I'm glad that you're learning, man. I'm so happy that you're getting better at your trading just because you're looking at me every day. Thank you for being here, man. For trading platform, bro, go with funding pips, get a 5K account, understand the rules, just risk 0.2% on the account size and keep trading, man. Just keep trading. Once you get the hang of it, if you're a new beginner, bro, you won't get the hang of it initially. You will miss trades. You will take bigger lot sizes by mistake. You'll close trades early. Take it out of your system. Initially, it's fine to take it out of your system. But once it keeps happening day in and day out, bro, man, you have to be conscious of those mistakes. Take those mistakes out of the system in the first 6 months, and then you can go with higher account sizes, other accounts, big payouts, and all that stuff. Okay. Oh, I'm not saying change it. I said improve it. It's already good. Small changes will rock it. I got you, bro. Thank you, man. Tell us about consistency, bro. I've said it, man. Go back in the live session, bro. I want to say it once, and then it's done. You can trade any broker out there, Excel, Vantage, etc. You're not sure, you don't need deposit withdraw only, else you'll be caught one day and bank account freezes. Yeah, man, Rajat, bro. I don't want to go to a point where I get caught and get my accounts freezing because, listen, I might have multiple thousands of dollars in my account, right? What happens if they freeze it just because I made a dumb mistake of going with XM or some other company which is not legally allowed in India? So that's the risk that is associated with trading in your personal account in India. Guys, I have other accounts that I can use in Canada because I still have my Visa, my bank accounts, everything is in Canada. If I want a personal account, I'll go through Canada or Singapore. My best friend lives in Singapore. So there are other options for me, but I'll never trade my personal funds in India, man. I don't want to give my hard earned money to the government, bro. Bro, Discord link, Shalini, is in the description. Yeah, Rajat, bro. Right. What I believe in breaking is for those who do not trust their setup. Not, bro. Yeah, man. I just, bro. I will give my life for my setups, man. Those are like good ones. I love my setups. I love the rules. That's why I don't take break-ins, I guess. Yo, stop spamming, man. I'm not gonna tell you about consistency rule, bro. I've already told. Go back in the session an hour and a half. You'll be able to see it, man. Watch it again. If you don't have the patience to watch a live session again for an hour in 2x speed, I'm sorry, man. Oh no, brother, but the strategy is backtested in more than 1 year now. But your point is also valid. It only comes to take RSL, bro. Yeah, man. Price is being mean, bro. It turned absolutely 180 degree at 6:30 and pushed up. After we got the entry to the opposite end, it came down, taps us out, and then poof, back to baking. Man, it can be cruel sometimes, Price. You just have to laugh at it and say, you and I have unfinished business. Let's talk tomorrow. That is what I tell to Price. I'll come back tomorrow. We'll go at it again. It's Price versus us every single day, man. I like I like the strategy, bro. SL is part of the process. Then some rules, sorry. Then same rules, same RR is most important of the next trade. My problem is not consistency for the same RR. What I'm not profitable for 3 months, 20% loss. Oh, shake it, bro. I'm glad that you like the strategy and the rules. Man, if we can't take the whole 1:3s, so the math will only work if you take the whole 1:3. If you start taking partials along the way, 2 1:3, the math will not work. That's why I insist on taking 1:3s. Okay. You'll be only profitable if you're taking trades with complete 1:3s and have a win rate of more than 28%, 25 to be exact, I think. But to have more money, 28% is all you need. 28 to 30% is a sweet spot when it comes to being green for the month. Okay. 30% aim for it. You might get 40. This month we're at what? We're at 45% this month. So as a trader, you're aiming for at least 30% with a complete 1:3, that is. No, no partials, no break evens. Break evens, fine, it doesn't affect, but no partials, by the way. No letting it run, no it coming back to take the break even, nothing like that. Every trade you take, if it's 1:3, we have a 30% win rate. Man, this is math. Okay, it will work. 100%, there's no doubt about it. Okay, so persist on the win rate that you have as well as the TP. Holding it and to take profit is in your hands. Win rate is not with you, man. Some days the strategy will work, some days it won't work. You can't control it. But what you can control is your emotions. It's completely up to you. You should not be worried about taking stop losses and TPs. Hence, you don't care if it goes to stop loss and a complete 1:3. That's the approach, right? And once you have that mindset, man, you'll be profitable, bro. Sorry, bro, took 2 yesterday, but today price is too volatile, moving both ways and better to stay out. Yeah, man. Hardik, bro, my trading for Ash and stop hunt is done. Now, what I'm doing is I'm waiting for 3 on 3s to show up. If it shows up, I'll take the trades. Half the risk, right? Usually with that strategy. So I'm chilling, man. Listen, you have amazing days like this where you get two take profits back to back. See, on the 17th of August, we got two back to back TPs. And on the 5th of August, we got two back to back TPs. So when you have those days, you're over the moon. But when you have two stop losses, why do you think your life is over? Change this. This between your ears is all that matters. I hope you guys understand that fact. Don't walk over the moon when you get two TPs. Don't go down to the floor of hell when you're taking stop losses. It's the part of the process. Enjoy it. Say it's fine. I'll see you tomorrow, and then come back to the market with a fresh mind. Don't let your prior day's losses affect your current day's analysis. Don't take that fear into today, man. Every day, that's why I trade very early in the morning because I get a good 7 to 8. Usually, I get 6 to 7 hours sleep. Average 6 hours sleep. So, average 6 hours sleep. Come back, I'm completely fresh. 5:30 in the morning. I'm in the zone. I don't care about what happened yesterday. I'm not going to worry about what's going to come 3 months after. The hell with all that. Guys, this session, this second is all that matters. Okay, okay. We have to get to the story. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, sorry, man. Go through my comments and come to the story, okay? It's part of the business, bro. Today, SL, tomorrow will be a big TP. There we go. Exactly, my brother. Let me share my experience. Aggressive buys and take profits on highs and then buy retracement. Yeah, motivation. I have to get a motivation too. Um, I get. Okay, guys, you can talk with yourself in terms of USDT and whatnot. Okay, let's get to the story. I'm gonna write this down. Ghost story. You guys ready? Oops. So I'm gonna make a short out of this saying ghost story after taking two stop losses. That's gonna be the short's name. You will see that short one day and laugh at it. Okay, this is gonna become a short. That's very simple. Need need to get my blanket. You guys ready? Oh God, hold on. I'm getting an alert, man. For 3 and 3. It's not valid yet, but it can be. Hold on. Guys, give me 1 minute. I'll come to the story, man. Popcorn ready. Let's go. Oops. Guys, if that closes strongly towards the upside, I'm taking this, man. 38 seconds. That's a supply right there. I want this candle to close above there. Uh, if that's the case, that'll be the first 3 on 3 trade for today. All right. 3 on 3. I'll have to turn this off. Thank you. Yours faithfully. Arvind trying to song. There you go. Raise the points. Hold on. I'm just calculating the stop loss, okay? I'm not getting it in. Just wait for it. 3 more seconds. Yep, that's valid, people. If price comes back to tap that area in, I'll be in with half the size as usual. 0.14 lots. That's valid 3 on 3 for me. That'll be the first trade for today when it comes to 3 on 3s. 28.750. Haven't been tapped in yet. Hold. Hold the door. Not yet. Still waiting for spreads. Not yet. Damn, tap me in, bro. What are you doing? There you go. Not tapped in. This is only on the master account. Half the risk as usual. Let's see if this holds. Again, guys, this strategy has a very low win rate. It's up to you. Thank you for your service. And I'll tell you why and how. I'm in right here. I'm in. Let's see if this holds and if it runs. See, we're getting disturbed by trades when we want to talk about ghost stories, man. That's the trade I'm in. Okay? Let's see. All right. Ghost story time. Will we get taken off? I'm just watching this for some reason. Come on. Good morning. Just woke up. Man, lucky you, bro. I think I might take another one here. But LG, you came right in time for a ghost story. I'm going to tell you a real life ghost story, an experience that I had. Give me just 2 seconds. I'm just seeing if this is going to hold and if I didn't take it in both of my accounts. I'm just checking if yeah, I didn't take it with both the accounts, which is good. All right, guys. You guys ready? Go through this. This is what happened. This was New Year's. Okay. This was New Year's 2019. The people involved in the story were myself, my best friend, three of my other friends. Okay. We were on a trip. We went to Uti. If you guys know what Uti is, it's a hill station in the south. Okay. We went on a trip. It was my best friend's car. It was a Swift, if you guys know the car. Okay. We started the trip a day prior to New Year's, went on the trip. We had a great time on the trip, came back. Okay. We celebrated the New Year's there. We were there for the New Year's Eve. We roamed around for a couple of days. We had a lot of fun. We played. We did the whole 9 yards as guys. It's a bachelor trip. I was very young back then. This was in 2019, right? So, young. So, while on the drive back, my God, did that scare someone? The beeps. So, this incident happened while we were on the way back. All right. Imagine the scenario. I'm the one who was driving the car. I use my left hand to drive the car, my steering. I grip it with my left hand. I'm not a guy who drives with two hands. Okay. These are important details. Okay. It will come to it. I'm driving the car 100, speed. Okay. This is around 12:30 at night. Pitch black, only myself, no one else, sorry, only us and no one else on the road right now. In this patch of the road, there's nothing to the right and the left. It's okay. There's just no barren lands, trees, and all that. There's no villages, no people around, nothing. There's no streetlets either. Okay. It's just me, the high beam on the car, me driving. My best friend is sitting to my left. Okay. There is a movie that's running on the dashboard. Three guys in the back are actually watching the movie. I'm listening to the movie and driving. Okay. The car is in good speed. I think 105 or 110, maybe. Not a bad speed to be in. Okay. I'm the one who's driving it, remember? And it's with a high beam, if you guys know if you've driven it, if you have a high beam arm, you can actually look at 100 meters clearly. Clearly. Okay. You can see anything and everything that happens for the at least 60 to 70 meters, like picture perfect. Okay. I see a very tall, completely black person moving from the left. He or she is crossing the road. Initially, I was like, it's some civilian crossing. Okay. I got spooked after 1 second because I saw that it was not walking. Number one. All right. It was more than 6 feet tall. Okay. Completely black. No face, nothing. There's no legs to it. Okay. Again, true story, guys. This happened to me. I'm not a guy who used to believe in ghosts. Okay. This happened to me. Like I was looking at this with my own two eyes. Okay. I'll tell you the whole story. So this thing moved from left towards the road. I'm still moving at high speeds, right? I'm getting closer and closer and closer. It was at almost 70 to 80 meters from me, and I'm getting closer to it. I get to see it very, very clearly. Man, even if I close my eyes right now, I can feel it. I'm getting chills right now talking about it. Okay. This black thing, which was at least 6.2, 6.3, is floating on the damn road, like slowly floating. Okay. In the middle of the road, for some reason, I did this. I was sitting, right? I was sitting, I did this with that same sound. I don't know what happened to me. Okay, these guys are actually watching the movie. The movie is still going on. I don't know if someone else saw it, but I go this while it almost crossed the road because I knew something was fishy. That's not a normal human. That's not a human wearing a black dress. I knew it because I could see there's no bodily features to it, right? It crossed the road and there's nothing on the right. So to in India, you have a median on the right, and then there's the opposite road to your right side. Okay, you're a right-handed driver, right-sided driver, right? So if it's a person, there should be someone standing there or someone who's crossing the road from there, right? There's nothing. Absolutely nothing. I can see the whole view from my cockpit, from where I'm driving. So I get to where, so it passed me. It passed me completely. Me, I'm doing this with my right hand because I'm driving with my left. Remember, I'm doing this. I don't know who else saw this, and it completely crossed the road. I turned to see what happened. If it was a person who was maybe wearing a black dress, or maybe I didn't see them properly, there should be either someone standing there or someone crossing from there. Because I'm in high speed right now, we almost coincided. Okay, perfectly coincided. I see to the right, there's nothing there. Oof, there's no one there. I freaked the hell out. I go, this is what I did. I was still driving with my left hand. Okay, I go, did anyone see that? I didn't say anything else. I said, did anyone see that? I felt a left hand on my shoulder. Bam. Bro, I absolutely lost it. I was like, I turned off. I thought it was that actually putting the left hand on me. My God, I freaked out. It was actually my best friend. You know what he said? He put his left hand on me. He said, bro, I saw it. Don't stop the car. Man, I'm not a driver who recklessly drives. My car, I grip the steering with both my hands tightly and floored it. Man, this is a Swift. It doesn't go that fast. Man, the car went up to 170, I think, kilometers per hour. I didn't I didn't take the foot off the gas. Man, I thought it was only me who saw that thing go from left to right. And I thought it was only me who saw the ghost. It turns out my best friend saw it too, man. He was actually watching the movie as well as the ghost. As soon as I said, "Ah," we both saw it. I was freaked out. I almost got into two accidents because of that while coming back. Two close calls because I was driving like a maniac because I was scared. I was still a kid. It's dark at night. That thing was so dark and horrifying, horrific. I don't know, man. I can't explain this stuff, bro. Insane, man. So, again, the story is not done yet. We get to the city. We were like an hour and a half outside the city of Chennai. Now we get to the city. Okay. Again, still happening. The story is not done yet. Come to the city. We are like, no one knows. The three people in the back, they don't know what the hell happened. Okay, they're clueless. They're still watching the movie. Me and my best friend, we're the only ones who knew what happened. Who had actually hold on. Sorry, sorry. So we we stopped the car in to have tea. So we wanted to relax. I was like, my best friend was like, man, it's done. Let's not talk about it now. Let's just have tea. We stopped the car. Okay, we're about to get down. Again, this is still happening. Around 10 to 12 dogs surround the car. Surround, bro, my car is right here. 10 dogs completely surround the car. I'm not sure what the hell was happening. I freaked out. I go, don't open the door, guys. 10, 10 dogs are just surrounding the car, looking at the car, not doing anything. They're not barking, they're not growling, nothing, bro. They're just standing around the car, looking at the car itself or me, whatever was happening, okay? Looking at it. And I go, don't open the door. No one gets out right now. And the guy started freaking out. Like, what's going on, Arvind? What's this? What's the dogs doing? What is happening right now? And I go, you guys didn't see it. We saw it. I don't think this is right. Do you have meat in the car? Okay. So there is a myth saying if you carry meat in the car during a travel, things will come behind you. That's a myth again. I don't believe it. I didn't used to believe all this stuff, but given the fact that I saw what I saw, I go, do we still have? So they were eating some meat. I think it was tandoori chicken or something, or chicken 65 or something. They had it with them while in the restaurant, well, when we had dinner. I go, do you still have that meat with you? The one in the back goes, bro, I still have it. It's right here. Do you want it? I go, pick it up, open the window. I'm not someone who litters, okay? Don't get me wrong. Never littered in my life, at least when I got my consciousness. I go, open the window, drop it. He Now they're starting to properly get freaked out. I opened the window, dropped the meat. The dogs are still staring, man. Now I'm trying to move the car. The dog in the front doesn't move. And I'm like, I'm honking. He's looking at me, right at me, bro. I don't know what the hell happened, man. That dog right in front of me is looking at me, staring at my eyes, bro. I don't know what was happening, but true story again. Looking at me, I go, dude, just let me go, man. Just let me go today, bro. Another day, maybe. And I don't know what he heard or what he thought. He just moved. Again, 120, 130 speeds coming into the city. This is around 1:30, 2 o'clock at this point. I went to a temple. The temple was closed. Stopped outside. I did not drop anyone off. I did not drop anyone off, mind you, because I didn't want the thing to follow these guys to the house. So I go straight to a temple. I sought. We sat outside the temple, inside the car again. We're still freaked out, and we told the guys what happened. After they dropped the meat, I was like, "Listen, man, this is what happened. We saw a black thing moving from left to right. We both saw it. This is what happened." Everyone's completely freaked out. One guy actually shouted, "What the?" And then happened. Okay, we're outside the temple now. We're praying to God. God, listen, it happened. Now we're inside the city. We're sorry that we bought meat in the car. Please let us go home without the thing following us. We actually spoke to God. Okay. After that happened, I dropped one by one. Okay, we had five people, right? It was my best friend's car. So we went to the first guy's place, dropped him off. Five of us got out of the car, walked together, holding the hands. Okay. Freaking kids, man. We were holding hands towards the door. We we usually sneak in into the house at midnight or after midnight, right? So no. This time we're like, open the door, mom. This first guy is like, mom, open the door, put on all the lights, open the door. Mom, auntie opens the door. He runs in. He says, guys, be careful while going home. Four of us again get back to the car. We did the same thing for three guys. Dropped everyone like kids from kindergarten being dropped off into school and back. We, we did that. So it was me and my best friend at last, right? I can't go home alone. It's best friend's car. My bike was in my best friend's place. I'm not going to drive alone after that shit. Nope, not happening. So I stayed through the night in my best friend's place. Man, even while I'm talking about this, I can still see that thing going from left to right. Bro, that happened, man. Like I said, I'm not someone who believed in ghosts and whatnot. Once that happened, bro, I was someone who used to say, guys, I don't know if ghosts are there or not, but if you show me one, I'll believe it. Guys, I saw one today. I believe it, man, with my own damn eyes. I can still see it with my eyes closed. I hope I don't ever have that experience again. Let me have some water, and what a trade we're having, bro. Um, that's a sweet reaction from the trade. Oof. So, guys, what do you think, man? Do you think it could have happened? I mean, I'm usually honest with you guys. I mean, that happened to me. I don't. That's the worst thing that actually happened. And now you guys know why I don't drive nights. There are two reasons. One is the ghost story, and the second reason why I don't drive during nights is because of the accidents and whatnot. I don't. It's stressful to drive at night. But the first and the most prime reason is that ghost story right there. Excuse me. I'm gonna have some water now because man, that was an experience to have. Tell me what do you guys think, man. What do you guys think of the story? God, man. Well, I should make a whole video out of this, bro. Why is everything silent? Am I still live? Because what a story, man. It feels like watching a scary movie. You're really good storyteller. Thanks, bro. See, you guys believe it then? Damn. I hope you don't get through that experience in your life. I genuinely hope for you because that was scary. That was completely out of boundaries. That was actually scary, man. The dog that looked at me in my eyes directly at me, man. I'll never forget that dog, bro. Ferocious thing, man. It wasn't big, it wasn't small. It was the right size dog. It's a street dog, mind you. It didn't growl. It didn't even show its teeth, man. It was standing there staring right back at me. And I was like, God damn, I should have done something wrong. Apologies if I've cursed. Apologies for the language. Apologies for the story. If you're scared of ghosts, wow, can't imagine. Maybe you're gifted with the third eye. Maybe. I don't know, guys. I'm going back to the comments and seeing if there's anything that I missed. Could you please soften the sound of the alert? Sometimes in my on the speakers, the beeping sound scares my kids. Sorry, man. Yeah, I'll put that alerts down, bro. Apologies if I scared people with the, with the sound and with the story. By the way, it it must be an illusion somehow, brother. With total respect to you, brother. Man, bro, if I heard that from someone else, if I heard the same story, uh, if I'm someone who doesn't believe in ghosts, I'd think of it the same way. If I saw that alone, I would have thought about it the same way. The fact that me and my best friend who was sane and saw the same thing at the same exact time and the same exact second, and the left hand on my shoulder, which plucked my heart out of my chest, man, all that, man, I'm skeptical, man. I thought I know what I saw, but I get that you guys don't completely agree with that. Rajat, bro, maybe not, but man, that was an experience to have. Less sleep affects an illusion for two people. God, man. We finally know that we can party with Arvind and then let's ghost together. Again, just kidding, brother. I know, man. I know, man. You're kidding. Bro, ghosts can run faster than anything I understand on the time. It was very horrible. It only comes for mishappenings. It will happen over road, many places in India and world have an experience. See, even Sudeep bro has an experience about it. What is ghost in the machine? Can't imagine. Okay, I saw that. Dogs can see evil spirit. I totally believe, sir. I think that dog saw me as evil spirit. Am I evil spirit again? But tell bro, can you clarify? After that, I don't have any bad experience with the dogs, man. They don't stare at me after that. They actually respect me, I think, because they leave me alone. Kanchana Part 4, yeah, man, that's a that's a movie from the south. Guys, this is running. There's no TP to this. This is gonna run. I'm gonna take that ghost story thing off so that now the ghost story is done. If you guys have any more ghost stories, just post it in Discord. I'd love to read it. And guys, tomorrow is the first live session for the mentorship. Um, let me quickly go over that, guys. If you haven't seen that yet, okay, I did send an announcement. I've sent you an email. Three of you have replied to my email. Two of you haven't. So five people in the mentorship, right? Three of you, I got your emails. I've given you access, right? I think two of you have already. Today, I got the third confirmation. So I've put three of you into the weekly live calls. This is going to be private from here on. Yeah, three of us are here. Two more I should add. All right. Reply to the email that I've sent you. I've sent you the email on the email that you got the course on, right? Reply to it. Make sure you're here at 6 a.m. sharp. I'll send you the link in this weekly live call area, like this one. I'll send you the link here in this channel in Discord. Make sure you join. This is for the mentorship people. I'm going to go through all the trades we took for the week, the confluences, what went right, what went wrong, the data for the whole week. We're going to talk about it. I'm going to make you give you an intro. So you have to tell about you. Sorry, you have to talk about you, where you're from, how you got into trading, maybe your story if you want to share. Okay, get that ready. Don't be scared. It's just a small exercise I have to get to know each other more. Excuse me. So we'll do that. And also, if you have any questions, write it down, note it down. It's going to be face to face, right? Like it's going to be like a Zoom call, but the call is going to be here. I'll send you the link right here in this weekly calls channel. We'll talk about the trades. And if you have any questions in the strategy, whatever questions you have from the course, get that ready. We'll talk tomorrow. Okay. And reply to the two more people, reply to my email. Please do it before today because I have to put you into the channel. All right. I hope that is enough. Dog and donkey can see ghosts. There we go, man. That's spooky, bro. That's very spooky. Yes, we're winning. Let's go. Arvind, I can see something black roaming Backside of your chair. Just something I won't fall for it. I want to see it in front of my eyes. But I'm actually worried right now. What if someone like a thief trying to rob you creates all of this? What about this point? Bro, why does he have to walk from left to right and not follow my car or not try to stop me or not wave at my car for help or something like that? Nothing like that happened, right? So he wasn't trying to stop me. That thing was actually minding its own damn business. It was casually floating over the road. Casual, bro. Like floating, not even walking, man. Completely, no legs. Mind you, black. But I could see the frame of it, man. The head, the shoulders, and straight. No exact leg formations. Just like the thing floating like clouds. It didn't wave at me. It didn't, cry out for help. Didn't look at me. Nothing. Just floating. And us freaking out. Me and my best friend. That's what happened. So no thieves, brother. Jeepers creepers. Bro, see? It was a creepy story, wasn't it? I mean to say, ghost sat above the car and the dog saw it till the ghost with the meat. Maybe. I'm glad that you're not calling me the bad spirit. Patel, bro, I'm kidding. I know what you meant. But yeah, man, maybe the meat, maybe us, maybe something else. Bro, I'm so happy that it didn't follow us wherever we went. And it's not, I didn't see it after that, man. I didn't see that thing after. I'm trying to calm myself now because while I was telling you guys that story, I actually relived that experience. Scary thing to relive, man. Bro, today I booked 80% here. So, man, that's awesome, bro. Bro, what's the you kept? Sorry? What's the TO you kept? Um, oh, hold on. I'm so bad at names, man. Diksha, I'm sorry, I don't understand the question. What do you mean by TO you kept? What's the TO? I'm sorry, I don't understand the question. Can you clarify? What's the toe? Toe? TP? Are you talking about TP for the straight? Um, Sorry. Whatever, because of you, I'll never carry with me while driving at night anymore. Don't don't do it. And especially, man, especially raw meat. Guys, the myth is people who used to, like back in the day, way back in the day, people who used to hunt and, butcher meat in one place and carry meat with them, they used to believe that spirits would go with them because they were hungry. That's the myth. Okay. Cooked meat, not so much. The meat that we had wasn't raw. But for me, in my brain, I saw that thing, which is a myth. But this also could be a myth, could be true. Let me just drop that meat on the street. Maybe the dogs could have it. Maybe the people from the sanitary department could curse at me. Whatever. I never litter, but I'm okay to do anything at that point of fear, right? I'm fearing for my life at that point. So, man, after that, boys and girls, I never carried meat or I never carried food while I was traveling. Meat, vegetables, you call it, you name it. Nope, I'm not carrying anything with me. Just pure water and maybe fruits. That's it. Oh, TP. Yeah, I got you. I thought you were meaning that, Dikshika. Listen, no TP for this one. I will let it run if it wants to run throughout the session. So that's how this strategy works. Again, this is 3-2-3 strategy. As you guys can see, if I didn't explain this because of the ghost story. Three candles prior, two candles supply. The last candle become the supply tap. All right. Hold on. Sorry, this is it, not that. This. Three, two, and then three. Price came back almost to take us off of our trade. That's the supply right here. This is a supply candle. Stop loss below this green candle right here. And right now we're seeing a reaction out of the supply zone. For this strategy, guys, as you guys know, I don't have a TP. I let it run until Tokyo ends. I will close it manually at 12:29 p.m. So that's when Tokyo ends. if it doesn't go to stop loss. And if it goes to a 1 is to 8 and above, which is somewhere here, let me show you. So 1 is to 8, 1 second, is up here. I'm still struggling. Hold on. There you go. 1 is to 8 is up here. So 4, 5, 5, 7 is 1 is to 8. If price gets to that point, I will consider, no, I will put my trade in break even. I won't take a stop loss after that point. So the trade has gone way too far for me to take a stop loss on it. So I put a break even. That's the only time I'll put a break even in both of my strategies. All right. Even with my 313s, sorry, even with my stop on, there is a scenario where I will take a break even. We'll talk about it when we get to it. All right. For this, if you're in it, if you want to know what I'll do, I'll let this run until Tokyo ends. If it goes to 1 is to 8, I'll put the trade in break even. This strategy has been designed as a runner. Okay? If it wants to run, we will let it run to the moon. That's how this strategy is designed. That is exactly how we caught this 1 is to 42 trade on the 5th of August. You can go back on the live sessions on the 5th of August. We have proof that we have caught that 1 is to 42 live. All right? It happens. It can happen. This can go back to stop loss right now. I don't care. But the strategy has been designed in a way to catch runners. All right. I just love driving the car in the night. I will whole world is silent. I feel like king on the road. Patelji, I love driving, man, but not at nights, bro. After those things that happened, man, not doing nights anymore, man. Bro, if I will get opportunity re-entry, can I do it or should I avoid it? Sudhir, man, it's up to you, bro. Listen, guys, I leave it up to you. I'm just showing you. Excuse me. I'm just showing you guys what I usually do. It's completely up to you if you want to re-enter or not. As always, guys, I'll show you what I do. The rest is in your hands. Woo, man. And guys, Samya, if you're still here, there's another ghost story I have. This time I have proof. Okay, that's not something that happened to me. That happened to my brother, who I started this channel with. I have a photo showing the ghost too. So, not for today. Again, don't do it tomorrow. Not you can't do it tomorrow because it's a Saturday, right? So maybe next week we'll talk about that story. That's fun too. Again, again, true story. At least that's what he told me. I'll share it with you. You guys decide if it's a true ghost on the photo or if it's just something else. So, I want an instant funding account. Could you arrange for me? Sure, man. Uh, what works for you? 100 or 150, bro? God. Muhammad, man, it's hilarious, bro. Oof. Man, I want to show this video to my wife, man. She won't listen to me when I talk about ghost stories. We had we had a night out. Actually, we had my brother's friends came into the house. We were having a night session. We were just chit chatting. And we had a session wherein we were talking about ghost stories. And bro, even these guys had some spooky ghost stories, man. I don't remember half of it, but one of my brother's friends, she told us a story of a house that they used to live in. Bro, that was spooky too, man. Okay, enough of ghost stuff, man. This is a trading channel. Let's focus away from ghost stuff. So, what's your view on Tata and Mahindra cars? They're doing good in India, also other countries. Patel, bro, I like them. It's just the fact that I have a Volkswagen myself. I didn't buy a Tata or a Mahindra because of the design. I know they're pretty reliable, man. Very reliable. But I think quality wise, bro, it's disappointing, man. But again, this is my opinion. I love Indian companies. Those are good cars that they're making. Um, Great job by these companies, locally and internationally. Well done. It's just the design of it. It's not appealing for my eyes. You guys know that. I do have a Virtus GT of my own. Man, when I look at my car, bro, I feel a certain way, right? It makes me feel that's beauty. That's absolute beauty while looking at that car. I don't get that feeling, man. So my best friend's dad, so my uncle, I call him uncle. So he wanted to get another car. His budget for the car was 10 to 12 lakhs, meaning 10 to $12,000 to get a new car, right? He wanted a decent ride to ride within the city, and a smaller car is fine for him. So that was his requirement. So I took him to multiple uh, showrooms, so multiple companies. We went to Hyundai, we went to Mahindra, we went to Tata, we went to Suzuki. These are the four companies that we visited personally. We were looking at those cars. When I was looking at these cars, even in that budget, it did not excite me. When I saw those cars, actually, it was sad to look at Tata cars. Man, it didn't. So when you're trying to buy something new, you need that excitement, right? When you're trying to buy a laptop, a phone, maybe um, something new, which comes with a premium price, you need that excitement to get it, bro. Tail G man, I didn't get that, bro. When I saw those cars, I was like, nah, yeah, that's one, that's two. Even with Hyundai, man, I didn't get that feeling in that price range. In that price range, I don't think you get that much. But I went to Nexa. I got a similar feeling. So the car I got for him, my best friend, is this uh, Bronx. Sorry, hold on. This is a car I got for them. Decent, boys. Very good. I thought this was good. Look at it. It looks good. The front looks good. The back looks great. The car, the features were really good. I actually liked it. I got the feeling of, yeah, I'm buying something new. This looks good. This looks exciting for that budget. But look at the same price range. Tata has uh, Tata Ultras, right? Man, this doesn't excite me, bro. I saw this and I was like, yeah, that's a car. That's it. That looks like a soap box. It's just my opinion, man. But I don't find any faults with the cars. They're pretty reliable, pretty good. Safety wise, they're really good. Price wise, they're magnificent. And all that, I'm just giving you my 2 cents about what I thought about these cars. Man, this looks sexy from the outside as well as the inside. The engine was really good. Look at that. I'd go for that, man. So yeah, we got that car for him. All right. Funny Pips, your referral code, please, bro. Man, I don't like to do referrals, man. I'm so sorry. I don't do referrals. I'm not the guy who wants to earn from referrals. I've said this multiple times. I've been asked to do sponsorships with referrals. I've been said that they'll pay me $600. Get this. I was approached by you. You will definitely know this company. I'm not going to name the company. Okay, I'll never do it. Okay, this company approached me. You guys will definitely know this company. This is an international company. They came to me. They said 1.5 months ago. They came in. They emailed me. I actually spoke to that person. She sent me a voice message even. They go, listen, Arvind, we will give you a code if someone signs up with your code in my company. That was like a brokerage firm, not like a prop firm. Okay, they emailed me by saying if someone signs up with your link, if they trade over a period of time, if they trade, let's say, three lot sizes. Right now, this trade is landing with zero point 0.4, 0.5, whatever, right? So if they trade three lot sizes worth in that account from your referral, will give you $600 per person. Think about it. Think about it. $600 per person. Even if 10 of you guys join, I have 151 hardcore people sitting and listening to my damn bullshit. What is it called? Ghost stories with me. Even after all those things, you guys are still here. Even after those two stop losses, you guys love me, support me, are here for the good vibes and all that. If even 10 of you, even 10% is 15 people, right? Even 10% of you guys took it. If 10 of you took it, that's $600 per person, $6,000 from just 10 of you guys. I didn't want to do it. It didn't sit well with me. I don't want that money. I said, listen, I don't feel good about it because people in India are not supposed to trade um, in such companies because it's not legal in India. You guys are operating in a gray space, a gray area, which I don't like. I'm not going to support it. This is the exact reply I gave him. Because guys, listen, like I said yesterday, it took a long time for me to gain your trust. I'm not going to break it, man. Bro, I've been building this for so long. I'm not someone who actually breaks trust with people because for me, as an individual, my core belief is that once your trust is broken with someone, your family member, your friend, your wife, your husband, your lover, anyone in life, if once the trust is broken, you can never get it back. So even with sponsorships, I'm very, very conscious on who I'm going to work with. Right now, I'm not working with anyone. Like I said yesterday, I've got more than 7 offers. I'm not going to do it. Maybe if Funding Pips turned out to be a good company, if I'm getting, you know, multiple payouts with them, we're having a good relationship. Maybe in the future, if they come knocking saying, Arvind, let's do a partnership, I will think about it. And that too, I won't be open to running ads on my live screen. I'm actually very against it because my screen, what you guys see right now, is sacred, right? My chart is sacred. Maybe I'll do like ads for them, videos maybe, but not just run their name onto my screen. This is for the future, but I'm just saying I don't have any codes. I'm not naming names. I'm looking at the chat. I'm not saying anything from this because, guys, listen, anyone can come to me and say, this is how much I'm going to pay you. Just do an ad for me. People in my space, they'll jump on the first opportunity they get. They're like, $600. That's beautiful money. Give it, man. I'm not that guy. I don't want to do it. I'm not going to, stab you guys in the back. Do you know what loophole they gave me to go through that? They said when I told them it's not legal in India. Do you know what they said? They came back to me. They said, I totally understand that it's not legal in India. That's totally fine. But you're doing this in English. This is what they said. True story. Again, they said, you're doing your live session in English. People around the globe are watching you. Yeah, it might be illegal in India. What about your audience around the globe? They can sign up. It's legal in their own countries, majority of those countries, right? So why don't you appeal to those viewers? I'm like, man, if I say something out of my mouth, my people are going to think that that's legit. And they're going to be like, yeah, I've been just saying it. Why don't we try it? Okay. And what about people in India? They're going to think, they're going to take the wrong message from it and start training with them. That's illegal, right? So when it comes to me, it's going to be clear messaging. If I like someone, I'm going to say I like someone. If I don't like someone, I'm not going to be two-faced about it. I'm just going to say, man, it didn't work out. Sorry. That's going to be me. That's my character. That's how I operate. So, long story short, you will never see me or promoting. So, you'll never see me promoting things that I don't believe in myself. That doesn't sit well with my rules and my standards and my values and principles in life. Okay. You'll never see me coming in an ad for an alcohol company if they decide to do an ad. Never. Right. So just that you guys understand me better, I'm just saying this because, guys, no matter what money you're offered in life to do something, if it doesn't sit with your principles or your values or your value system, in your core, don't do it, man. Money, bro, money, you can make it in a million ways, bro. A million ways. It'll come to you if you do the right work, if you have the discipline, the patience, and the hard work, the persistence, it will come to you. You can learn it in different ways. I'm a big believer in that. I'll never sell myself for money. Even the course, I've had the course that you guys see to help people. The people who want to learn from me are the only ones who can get it. Okay. That's why I've priced it in a premium manner. That's why I don't actually talk about every single day. In every single video, you don't see me saying, guys, I have a course called Trader's Edge. Go get the course. Nah, man. If you want to get it, you're going to get it either way. If you're not going to get it, I don't care, man. That's not my bread and butter in terms of income, right? I have trading. It's giving me enough money. It's going to give me enough money in the future. So to end this session, let's leave it in a good note. Guys, We're doing good work. It's been a good week so far. Yes, 2 bad days is not going to decide the week. We're still profitable for the whole week. This trade will run toward the whole session if it decides to run. And reminder for the people who've already joined the mentorship, please send me the email. I've I've given you set of instruction. Please get back to me because tomorrow at 6 a.m. we're gonna have the call. I'd love to talk to you face to face. To put a face to the name will be great. Okay. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I'll go through the last two comments and then bugger off for today. All right. Uh, you guys are guessing the names. I'm not gonna say the names. Now I see this is how Callisto is making their money. Exactly, Paul, bro. This is how they make their money, man. So when you join with their codes, if they start, let's let me let me collect my thoughts. So, Paul, bro, if you join with my code, let's say in an X company, when you start trading with them, the person who actually referred you will start getting money from the trades that you do. Every single trade. So every lot size you take, the referral guy will get kickbacks. That's how they offered. They offered me $600 for 3 lots. That doesn't stop there, bro. It's a percentage of every trade that you do. Okay. So if you take a trade worth $100, I'm going to take a kickback of $15 out of it. Imagine if you're trading with that company for $20,000 of your own capital, I'm taking 15% cut out of it. This is how these people make money when they're referring. I'm not willing to do it. It doesn't will set well with me for these companies. Maybe if Funding Pip says, Arvind, why can't we do it? This is what we're planning to do. Maybe I'll think about it if I believe in them. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say here, right? That's why people like Callisto and other people who are referring people online are getting paid. Now you understand the mechanics of the referral industry, right? I'm honest with you in all the sense. The transparency doesn't come only with trading. It also comes with my life as well as the business ideas and the business things I'm going to do with you. All right. You guys are my partners as usual. Bro, Frankie, man, I'm going to watch season 3 of Reacher today. Thank you for reminding me. Guys, if you haven't watched Reacher, go watch. I've been looking at the posters for last 2 days. Frankie, man, I'll definitely watch it today. I'm so excited, man. I'm a big fan of Reacher, bro. I'm so excited to watch it. I'm going to start watching it today, man. Weekends are usually chill. Tomorrow, the 6 a.m. call is the only thing I'm going to do. After that, I'm going to chill for the whole day. I can't wait to watch Reacher, man. That's why we all really respect you more than anyone. Sudeep, man, thanks you so much, bro. Avran, bro, I said it, bro. Please design your trade so that you get your first TP. That would be the amount for yourself that you set for the trade. Then you need to break even. Enjoy the rest of TPs. Man, I'll definitely think about it, bro. Sir, thank you for saying that, man. So there are like multiple level marketing scam. I trade on Vantage. Sikandar, bro, yeah, man, there are levels to it. We'll talk about this in the next session. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you sticking to your rules. Respect. Thank you, man. Right. I didn't see that last comment. It just went off. All right, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around. This state again is going to run throughout the session if it decides to run. Wherever it ends up, I will tell you in the Discord. If you haven't joined Discord yet, please go ahead and join. You can talk to me there. There are scammers out there too in Discord. Don't talk to someone from my name if they text you first. All right. This is Arvind Rangaswamy signing off for the week. I will see you guys on Monday. For the mentorship people, I'm going to talk to you tomorrow morning at 6. Don't be late. Email me. All right. Take care, guys. See you Monday. Bye bye.